Okay, got it. Live, live is here. If it works completely fine, then yes. If it again happens the same thing, then what? Okay. New live has added. Really sorry for all the people. Really sorry. Some internet connectivity, live stream got completely blocked. Internet was gone, live stream was gone, and internet is back. Live stream is back. Maybe again, same issue may can occur because today internet connectivity is very bad. So due to that, some issue may happen. Really sorry for that. Why you are not connected? Second, let me just give me one moment. Okay, I am live. Why you are not connected? Okay, I am live. Second, back again. Got it. Yes, let's begin this live stream. Let's begin this live stream. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, really sorry for whatever internet connectivity issues are happening over here. I'm really sorry for all the people that internet due to internet connectivity. If you faced any issues, any problem, really sorry from my side. Okay, because I cannot help with this net thing. I am not able to control it. I am not putting that on off button over here. Okay, so I cannot help you with that. And yes, Zoeb Khan ji, like I will. One second. One second. Your user ID was. I'll ask. One second. Yes, that was your user ID. I'll click on it. One second, just give me one moment. Where is the user ID? Okay. Where is my one second, call you saying. Is facing you are facing difficulty basically in claiming that reward, right? Yes, Zoeb Khanji, you are facing some difficulty in claiming that reward. So I am forwarding your case. Is facing difficulties in claiming that 2200 USD trade. You are facing difficulty basically in claiming that reward, right? Help. Yes, Zoeb Khanji, you are facing some difficulty in claiming that reward. So welcome all the users. Welcome each and everybody. Thank you so much for being a part in the live stream again. Zoeb Khanji, user 205636. Zoeb Khanji, I have like you are facing some difficulties, you will be contacted by my team in less than 5 to 10 minutes. You will be getting contacted. Once they receive the message, they will help you in claiming that thing. You don't have to worry, we are not a scammer over here, trust me, we are not. You are maybe facing some issues, that is okay, but we are not one of those things which you are thinking. Trust me, if I am saying that I will give you, then I will give you. Some in app some difficulty may happen, maybe update, try to update the app. If there is no update, that is totally fine, my teammate will contact you right away, because you are facing some difficulty. See, this difficulty is not faced every day, maybe once in twice in 3 weeks. Like already some people who did that thing previously, they claimed it very easily, but you are facing some issues, that is totally fine, understandable. We will help you, will provide you the help. I forwarded your thing, like he's facing some difficulties in claiming that 200 USDT trade, so they will contact you, they will help you. I am not running anyway, I am not blocking you anywhere, I am just over here. I was facing some internet issue, that's why the live stream was not there. That's the one reason why live stream was cancelled, like was suddenly disappeared. And what you were watching on the live was just replay of that 1 hour. Okay, I am not ignoring you, you are just watching that replay of that 1 hour. This is not, that was not live, it was basically like if I end this live, you can watch this same thing again and again as much as you want. Okay, need to check. Yes, see, he replied as well, he will help you. Suddenly disappeared, and what you were watching on the live was just replay of that 1 hour. Okay, I am not ignoring you, you are just watching that replay of that 1 hour. This is not, that was not live, it was. He has replied as well, he will be helping you toward this. There is like, see, some like 10 to 12, like 1 in 100, 1 in 50 may face some issues, and that issues can be solved. So be calm, that is completely fine. Nobody is running anywhere, nobody is facing anything, nobody is saying that we are this, we are that, nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, I am helping you, I'm here only till like 6:30, I'm over here. Okay, if the live continues, if that like the internet connection doesn't cut off again, I'm here till 6:30. Got it? I'm here till 6:30. You don't have to worry regarding any of those things. You can come to me till 6:30. I'm over here. I will help you in any case scenario, every case scenario. I've already forwarded your case with your user ID that he has deposited 20. He's facing some difficulties in claiming 200 USD trade. So you will be getting that response from my team very, very soon. Very, very soon. Okay, and I'm over here till 6:30 for you. You don't have to worry, I'm not gonna run away again. Tomorrow again I'll be coming here only. Okay, this live stream is like almost everyday kind of scenario. Nobody's running anywhere, nobody's doing anything. Got it? Cool. So let's begin this live stream again with a new start. As today you can see the title that we are making you. I am like basically I am giving you one strategy in which way you can earn the same way like the whales does. Now let's talk about some whales. Let's talk about how whale earns money and why they are called whales in the market, for what reason. And this is okay. So as I discussed with you all people, like let's first talk about whales in the market. Like what do you mean by whales? What do you understand by whales? What does whale does in the market? Why they are called whales in the market? And why are those people the most richest, and why we cannot be those people? But there is no such things. If you have a mindset, if you have a thing, you can be whoever you want to be. There is nobody's going to stop you in making you rich on the top, on the sky, or everything. Okay, now today's strategy of the whales is not about the future strategy. I'm not going to talk about future trading today. I'm going to talk about what I'm going to talk about, the spot trade strategy. So this is solely depend on what? This solely depend on the spot strategy. Spot is basically what? Spot trading is you buy cheap and you sell high. That's the only thing which we do in this spot market. We don't capture each and every of the movement like we capture in the future market. In the future market, every movement can be captured. Like even the market is going downfall, we can capture it. Even the market is going up, we can capture it by future trading. But in the spot trading, we have only one way to capture the market, that is buy cheap and sell high. That's the only thing which we do right now. It's for giving you example, it is same way like in a yearly wise, whenever we see that our like basically our gold price is at a very cheap price, it's very cheap. Now what most of the people will do, as they found the gold in a cheap price, they will start buying it. They will buy maybe ring, maybe chain, maybe something, maybe something, maybe something. They will keep on buying and they will keep on stacking them inside the house. Once they stack it inside the house, what they will do, once the price of the gold becomes little high in the year end or maybe mid in the year or maybe next year, when the price again goes a lot high, they will sell it for the higher profit, right? Now exactly that is the thing which we do with this spot trade. We look at the price, we see if it is at the most cheapest price or not, and once it has the most cheapest price, we try to buy it. And once the market goes above and we see the price has gone up, then we do the sell and earn our profit. That's the only basic understanding of the spot trade. Now what does a whale does in the future trading? The main game, the game changer thing is your prediction in the future trading. If your prediction is right, then everything goes in the profit, profit, profit. You can earn every single day profit from the future market only if you are having your prediction right. That is the main game of the future. But what is the main game of a spot trading? What you need to make that one thing the most perfect to earn very huge amount of profit in the spot trading? What is that one thing? Obviously in the spot trading we wait for maybe months, maybe years. We wait for that long period of a time, and in that long period of awaiting time, if you get just profit of 100 USD, are you satisfied with that? No. Even if the, like you will say, the main game changer is like the cheaper price, when it goes to higher price, that is the main game changer. But no, that is not the main game changer, that is a part of it. The main game changer is in the spot trading is quantity. The quantity should be great, the quantity should be very high. What do you mean by that? The quantity as in the one which you are buying. If you buy in like for example, let's take an example of XRP. Right now XRP is somewhere around, where is XRP? XRP is at 1.8. Okay, we seen the highest XRP reached was 3 USDT. Right now it is at 1.8. Okay, so if you buy just one XRP, or let's say you buy just two XRP, 1 point, like consider round figure 2 USDT, 2 to 2, 4 USDT you bought, 4 USDT bought. It will change to 3 USDT. Obviously, a market, once it meets an all-time high, the next all-time high is going to break the previous one. That's a very obvious thing. And obviously, one more thing, like we are in the most end zone of the December. The most end zone where we are trading into the most last days of the December, and the new year will start. And with the new year, obviously, see, right now we are observing this one thing since September, no, since September, October, November, December, since these 4 years, Bitcoin, any other crypto market, we are lacking one thing which gives us the biggest movement. What is that one thing which we lack in the biggest movement? Which is institutional money. Any of those big institution who pours money like crazy, BlackRock CEO, Metaplanet, GamePoint, MicroStrategy, these companies make a very huge investments into the cryptocurrency. But since 4 years, since 4 months, September, October, November, and this is December going on, we haven't seen any single institution to take any investment. We haven't seen that thing. None of the institution has made an investment. Plus, there is one news which I want to share to all of you people. Now, what is that one news? Okay. I will tell you in the word way only. I wanted to show you that news in the news section, but it is totally fine. You can hear my voice. Okay. So that news is 250 million worth of BTC and Ethereum, both combined, like almost 2,900 BTC and 29,000 Ethereum was moved from the wallet to the Coinbase account, Coinbase Prime account. Sorry, let me correct myself. Coinbase Prime. Now, hi, hello user, hello 962894. Welcome, hello. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for coming in. Hello, hi. So, like I was telling you all people regarding like 250 million, we may see that the crypto market can go more down. Reason, see, Coinbase Prime. If you don't understand what is Coinbase Prime, then I will help you in understanding this. Coinbase Prime is a special platform for only for institutional people. See, we are retailers. Okay, we are retail trader, and those people are institutional people, institutional trader. The major difference between a retailer and institution is the money which we invest. They invest in a very huge amount, which is like maybe million billion dollar, and we invest in a small amount, 10 USDT, 1000, 2000, 10,000, 50,000. That is the limit of us to invest, starts from 0 to 50 to 1 lakh USDT. That is the major limit of all the retailers. Got it? Now institutional people invest in how much? Millions and billions of dollar, millions and billions of dollar. With that kind of investment, they require a separate platform to change anything, to give a major sell, to move, or to use that cryptocurrency for any kind of purpose they require. Now, Coinbase Prime is that platform which all these institutional people use to sell, to move, or to use their crypto asset which they are having. Obviously this institutional people are carrying in a very huge quantity, like maybe 50,000, 80,000 of bitcoin, maybe 1 lakh of bitcoin, or maybe more than that. Okay, now obviously at some point they will try to take some profit from it. They won't just keep it forever and ever. They are trying to take some profit from it. Now recently BlackRock CEO, okay, so BlackRock, as you, if you don't know about BlackRock, BlackRock is a very biggest, like world's biggest finance management group. Okay, they handle world's most richest people finance in the way they want to invest, making their, handling their portfolio and every kind of stuff. Okay, they were first into just traditional way of investment. Now very recently, like you can consider in 2024, like in the most ending of the 2024, they started their own ETF, exchange trade fund. What do you mean by ETF? Exchange trade fund, which is basically, see, for us retailers, we have platforms like Binance, we have platform like Zbit, we have platform like Coinbase, OKYX. Such kind of stuff is our platform. Okay, this is for retailers, like all general people. But for those people who invest in a very huge amount, for those, they make ETF, a platform which uses bigger trades only, which invest in a bigger volume only. Okay, very recently, BlackRock CEO has opened his digital currency trading platform called as ETF, called iBit. I.bit. Okay, this is one which he made recently, for not recently, like it has been almost a year. Consider almost a year it has been when he launched iBit. And once he launched iBit, he made the most heaviest transaction ever. He did the $1 billion of investment in the Bitcoin, and we saw the Bitcoin after that broke all time high to all time high to all time high in just shifted to months and months and months. Okay, so welcome back again, Zoeb Khanji. Welcome back again. I'm looking at your stuffs. Okay, you don't worry, don't think that I have neglected you or something. I am looking into your matter very seriously. They will check out these things and they will help you solve everything. You will get a phone call or you will receive something in which they will like they will see every of those things for you. Okay, do not worry about any of those things. Okay. So, as I was discussing regarding iBit. Now BlackRock CEO made an IBIT, which is basically like same thing, exchange trade fund for the major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, like major coins only, and in which he like I said to you, BlackRock is a group which handles the world's most richest people's finance. Okay, world's most richest people finance is handled by who? Is handled by the BlackRock CEO. Okay, so he is now admitting this thing, like he's transferring a lot of the investment which he used to do the richest people into the cryptocurrency. First they just used to do in the stock, in indices, in the commodities and all those things. Now he has transferred and a new way of investment, which is our digital investment into the digital currency, which is our basically crypto market. Okay, now recently, now this is the recent news. I gave you a little gist about what is BlackRock, what is IBIT, and every of those things. Okay, so IBIT is holding more than lakh quantity of Bitcoin, more than a lot quantity of Ethereum. They are basically whales who has the most huge quantity of BTC and Ethereum. Okay, now understand this one thing. Recently, they have moved $250 million worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum. 2000, 2019, yeah, 2019 bitcoins plus 29,000 ethereum was recently moved to Coinbase Prime. I told you what is Coinbase Prime. Coinbase Prime is basically a place where institutional people move their asset to do the sell, to move, or you can consider is to use it. Like, see, cryptocurrencies are the main purpose is for transaction. Either they can use it for transaction, either they are just moving their asset, or they are doing the major sell. Generally, usually they use it for two things, which is sell to gain profit from it, or to use it for a transaction, for whatever thing, like whatever things they are dealing, like more they want to do, they are doing some trade, they are doing some import export, whatever deal they are making, for them obviously the transaction is required. Now it can be used either for that, or that it can be used for the selling option. If it decides to sell 2019 BTC, obviously in the upcoming like right now BTC, we are seeing a little growth of the market. Now this growth of the market can be a trick for all of us. A trick in what way? A trick in a way where we can think it. Obviously, like market is more like, you can consider 20% knowledge, 80% psychology is required in the market. Just 20% knowledge and 80% of psychology is required for making the bigger trade, making any of those, like making profit. Psychology is the most important thing in the market. Now in this scenario right now, what is happening right now, we can see this one and very simple thing, that all the market is looking a little, I'm not saying like suddenly a very huge pump has came, I'm not saying that, but a little, very little buy side movement has been taken by the BTC, by Ethereum, by every of these things. Very little. From the lowest point, the market reached, let's see. If you can see this, the lowest point the market reached was 84. Since 84, market has, we can clearly see the market shifted to 90, a little upward movement, right? Now this can be a trick. Why? Because if that 2000 and 2019 BTC is shifted to the Coinbase, generally used for what? Generally used for one and very specific thing, that is for the major sell-off. If Bitcoin, if Bybit, sorry, if the BlackRock decides to sell those 2019 BTC, we can see an absolute drop in the market, which can be the most last drop before end of 2026. We have not, we don't have like that. Today is 23. Yeah, we just have 7 days left. Just 7 days left for what? 7 days left for the downside of the market, the year end 2026, and maybe next year can start with a very good pump in the market, maybe, but I'm not giving a commitment to that as well. Okay, but there is a high chance, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP. As I've told you, this is a chain reaction movement. If one BTC, the main pillar, falls, like a domino reaction, every of other coins will start falling, 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 falling. So right now we are on this movement, like maybe very recently, very soon, 2019 BTC and 29K Ethereum can be sold at any moment. What happened? Yeah. Yeah. This 2019 BTC and 29K Ethereum can be sold at any moment. We can have a major downfall in the market at any point of scenario. Why I'm telling you this? Because you should know what whales are capable of and what we have to grab from them, what kind of strategy we have to grab from the whales, and what whales are capable of. Whales are capable of putting the market complete dump or complete up, because they are having such kind of quantity. Just imagine if 2019 BTC has been, भाई आया नहीं किसी का कोई रिस्पॉन्स अभी तक। थोड़ा थोड़ा वेट कीजिए, थोड़ा वेट कीजिए, आएगा रिस्पॉन्स। मैं कर रहा हूँ कोशिश, मैं पूरी पूरी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, आएगा जरूर रिस्पॉन्स आएगा। आएगा रिस्पॉन्स, थोड़ा वेट कीजिए, मैं कहीं भाग के नहीं जा रहा हूँ, रिस्पॉन्स आएगा। मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ पूरी पूरी आपको रिस्पॉन्स देने की। Okay. So, like I was telling you all people regarding the whales, what a whale are capable of. By only one thing, because they hold major quantities. Now that is the game. That is a game of a spot market, that you should have a heavy quantity. Then only you are having a very huge amount of benefit in what? Benefit in earning a very huge amount of profit, exactly like the whale does. Exactly the same amount like a whale does. You can earn a very huge amount of profit. Now, I gave you little market update regarding in 2 to 3 days or in the 7 days. Like 7 days are left for 2026. So in the 7 days, maybe we can expect the market to drop more because of the BlackRock CEO who is ready, who has already transferred his 2019 BTC, 2019 BTC and 29K Ethereum into the Coinbase for major selling or using for anything. Okay. Coinbase is used for the institutional people to make their any asset move, use, or sell. Got it? Cool. Now, this is the one thing why we should think like a whale. This is that one thing why we should make every movement like whale. And all the users, welcome 807117. I have a Christmas gift for all of you people. That one is like, if you are a new user, you will earn one Dogecoin from me. And second big reward is right now, if you click on over here, can you see 200 future credits over here? If you click on this, and if you deposit just 20 USDT, before it was 50, right now it has shifted to just 20. If you deposit 20 USDT, you get 200 USDT future credit in your account, which is used for taking a trade in maybe BTC or maybe Ethereum. Okay, in between, you get a bigger trade to gain bigger profit from the market. Whatever profit you earn, that is completely your profit. You don't have to pay us anything. Okay, you already earned that Christmas gift in which you can gain that profit. Okay, so do not forget this thing. You can check it from over here. And the next thing is contract trading, in which you receive 7 different coins. But I get it, very few people go for the 3000 trade, because taking a 3000 worth of trade is very difficult. So obviously I share only this reward with people, that is deposit reward, which is reasonable. 20 deposit, 200 USDT worth of trade you get from us. Like basically 200 USDT credited in your account for taking the 200 worth of trade. Okay. Now, so, as the today's thing says that we are going to learn a whale strategy. I've made you explain this one thing, that how a whale earns money, how whales earn profit, how the whale have their own game very strong, that is just by including a heavy quantity. If your quantity is very heavy, then you receive a very good amount of investment, a good amount of profit. The quantity is the game. Today, in this live stream, I'm going to show you a part by part how the whale earns money, how we can do the same thing with the most least investment. I'm not saying that you have to make a very heavy investment. We will make least investment. Unlike those whales, they invest in very whale name came from. Okay, I'm saying whale again and again. For not to make you confuse, what do you mean by whale? Whale means that a person who is having a very huge amount of quantity, basically. Okay, like in village we call them saukar or something like that, like a person who is having a very huge amount of money. Same thing in the cryptocurrency. For a person who has a very huge amount of asset as in quantity of bitcoin, quantity of ethereum, quantity of any other currency, it values above million billion dollar, we call them whales in the market, because they have a strong manipulation hold in the market. They can decide to, if they invest in a very heavy amount, they can make the market go up, or if they decide to sell their quantity, they can completely drop the market. Okay, by 10%, by 20%, by 30%, whatever percent it is. Got it? Cool. So by this scenario, I am going to teach you regarding how they earn profit. See, we have seen a very one thing. Whales are one of, see, all the rich people are one of those people who have one thing in a one thing very common in their head. What is that one thing very common? That one thing which is very common in their head is that they make always make a first effort in doing anything. They don't think, they don't think in very like what will happen, what will happen, what will happen, what will happen. They don't think about this. They see opportunity, they grab the opportunity, and they only, you must have seen this one thing. The whales, the rich people, they always try to invest in the future, not in the past, not in the present. They try to invest in the future. I'm not talking about future trading, I'm talking about the future useful cases. Cryptocurrency, when very recently came inside the market, when BTC came in the very start, and followed up by that came Ethereum. When it was the most new, Ethereum BTC was not even like right now what price we can look. Ethereum BTC was at a very least price, like you can consider the price of 1 USDT, 2 USDT, or 10 USDT. At that price, an Ethereum or Bitcoin was. In that situation, these whales, these rich people, saw a very huge potential in the future, and they invested in a very heavy quantity. Because I've told you one thing, to earn the most great profit in the spot market, we have to make our game strong, that is by buying heavy quantity. Not one, not two, not 10, not 20, but maybe in the thousands, or maybe in the lakh. That kind of quantity we have to buy in the spot coin to achieve a greater profit. Now most of the people will think in this way ki, like, we don't have that much investment to make to buy lakh kind of coin, to buy thousands kind of coin. We don't have that huge investment. But you can see on the title, I'm focusing on those coins which is under $1, and that's what whale does. Whales are very smart people who will do what? Who will try to look not only at the Bitcoin, not only at the Ethereum, but at those coins as well, which is very new in the market, which are trading less than $1. Like we see those coins 0.00 something, 0.002, 0.003. PC is running low on the charge now. Which is your charger, bro? Is this your charger? No. Where is your charger? Wait a second. I'm bringing charger. Charging was required. So, as I was discussing, yes, yeah. So the main quantity is in the main game is in the quantity of the spot rate. Now we have to buy lakhs and thousands kind of quantity. Now you will be saying like we don't have that kind of investment to make in the market. I'm not asking to make that huge kind of investment in the market. What I'm asking you from all of you people is welcome user 257013 on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. If you are a new user, I have a very great information for you. That is a two gift which I will provide to you. One gift is a one free Dogecoin. Another gift is that you can earn 200 USDT future credits by just doing a deposit of 20 USDT. If, and you can clearly see that reward over here. Can you follow my arrow? This is my arrow. If you tap, if you scroll down the ads, okay, this is the ads. If you scroll down the ads, can you see 200 future credit? Click on these things, and at this point you will see the first thing, deposit 20 USDT, and you will get what? 200 USDT position. Okay, Ethereum or BTC, whatever your choice is. If you want to do in BTC, you can do in BTC. If you want to do in Ethereum, you can do it in Ethereum. Okay, so you will be getting a 200 USDT worth of trade, which can give you a very huge amount of profit. So if you want to take a 200 USDT trade in any, in maybe BTC, maybe Ethereum, then one thing which you need to do is what? Make a deposit of 20 USDT inside where? Inside the live stream. Okay. Can you see in a live stream? This is the live stream option. If you click on this live stream, then can you see a deposit option over here? Yes, that is the deposit option which you need to be clicked. With this, the deposit option needs to be clicked, which you can see over here. This is that deposit option. Click this deposit option and make a deposit of 20 USDT, and you will earn the profit of 200 USDT. 200 USDT worth of free trade you can take in Ethereum or in the BTC, which can give you, see, whenever you have heard this thing, if you deposit, if you invest in a very huge quantity, then you get a very huge kind of profit from the market, right? So if you want to earn that 200 USDT worth of future credit, then you need to deposit 20 USDT inside the live stream. If you do just the simplest 20 USDT deposit, you will receive 200 USDT worth of trade. Okay, pretty clear with all of you people? Cool. So as 20 USDT inside the live stream, if you do just the simplest 20 USDT deposit, as I was discussing this one thing with all of you people regarding the investment strategy. Okay, today's main focus is on the investment. Welcome user 823715. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down on this live stream. I really appreciate each and every of you, all people coming down this live stream. And for all the new user, if you are a new user, if you haven't invested anything inside the market, if you haven't traded, then one Dogecoin you can get completely for free of cost from my side if you make a first deposit in the live stream button. Can you see a button over here? Yes, that is the button. If you invest in this button right now, then you get one Dogecoin completely free of cost. And plus one more thing, there is a one Christmas gift for all of you people. If you deposit 20 USDT, you get 10 times bigger trade, that is 200 USDT worth of trade you can receive in the market. Okay, so Thank you so much for that timing. And as plus one more thing, there is a one Christmas gift for all of you people. If you deposit 20 USDT, you get 10 times bigger trade, that is so 200. Let's continue with the topic of the investment strategy like the whales. Okay, so whale does what? Whale is basically tries on those coin. I'm not saying this thing like they only invest in the BTC, they only invest in the Ethereum. No, they invest in some smaller coins as well. Today, step by step, I will tell you how you can find such coins, how you can invest in such coins, and how you can gain profit, a very huge, heavy amount of profit. By the end of 1 or 2 years, you may be having $50,000 or maybe $1 lakh in your account, depending on the way you want to invest. If you go crazy, then you can earn up to 50,000 USDT or can earn up to 1 lakh USDT. But if you don't want to invest that big, then you can earn like 10,000 USDT, 20,000. But the main game, like I said to you, is the quantity. Try to invest in a heavy quantity so that you can gain a very huge amount of profit from the market. Okay, so let's go step by step. What you need to do, how you need to do to make your investment strategy exactly same like the whales in the market. So maybe you can also turn yourself into a whale from like basically your journey from retailers to the whale. You can change the complete strategy. You can completely change your exact strategy like the whales. You can change it how the way you invest, the way you think, the way you need to invest each and every of those things, and change your status as a retail investors and change it into what? Change it into a whale status, like from retailers to the whales. The way they invest, you can copy that. The way they earn profit, you can copy that, and you can become a retailer, can become a whale very easily just by following the instruction which I am going to tell you, just by observing all the instruction, just by like observing each and every of those things. Like for example, observing the way of the investment, following it step by step, and you can go there. So let's start the investment strategy. I've explained you what we are going to do. We are going to find every coin which is under $1. I will tell you each and everything. So what are, how to filter out those coin, how to look for those coin, what to see, what not to see, each and every of those things. Okay. So first thing what we need to do is go to a trading view platform. Okay, that is a first step. Trading view platform is the first step where we need to go. Okay, so we'll go to trading view platform over here. This is the trading view platform. Right now London session is going on. Okay, so we'll go to trading view platform, and from there we have to go home. Let's go home. I will start from the most beginning. Okay, from where you can start it. Welcome user 732499. Welcome on the live stream. Welcome user 610888. Welcome on the live stream. If you are a new user, haven't got your gift from my side, that is one Dogecoin completely for free of cost, then do tell me. I can provide you that gift right away. Okay. So, as a first step of investing exactly the same way like the whale, what we need to do is first come on a trading view platform. That is a step one. I will write the steps over here side by side so that we can, at the end, we can completely understand each and every of the things. Okay, in the side by side, I will write everything. Okay, just did this, did this, did this. I will write down whale invest crypto invest, be specific. Crypto investment strat strategy. Like this strategy. Invest crypto invest, be specific. Crypto investment strat whale investment strategy. I will write down over here. And Slowly we'll follow each and every of those things. Okay. Main investment strategy, I will write down over here, and slowly we'll follow each and every of those things. Okay. Hmm. Good. Cool. So, whale crypto strategy. First step, steps, which so first step, open trading. First step, open trading. Okay, these are the complete steps. I will be making it step by step so that you can understand each and every of those things. Okay, first step, open trading. We will open the trading view over here. This is the trading view platform. You can subscribe to it free of cost. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to pay for the subscription or anything. Okay, just open the most free account in the trading view platform. After that, whenever you're coming from the trading platform, can you click on the market? Can you see a market over here? Yes. Once you see the market, from there come down to the crypto. Yes, crypto market, and click on the overview. Can you see an overview over here? So what we did, we clicked on the market, we came to the crypto, and we clicked on the crypto overview. Okay, click on this. I will add that step over here. What we did right now, we did the second step. Yes, crypto market, and click on the overview. Can you see an overview over here? Market. We clicked on the market, we came to the crypto, and we clicked on the second step is crypto. Okay, click on this. I will add that step over here. Market over right now. We did the second step. After opening the trading view, then second step what you need to do is click on the crypto market overview. Welcome new users, welcome 710292. All the users, if you are a new users, there is a one Dogecoin from my side completely for free of cost if you only are a new users. And for the rest of the people, if you are new plus existing, then you get a 200 USDT future credits if you deposit 20 USDT inside the live stream option. If you deposit a 20 USDT inside the live stream option, you get 200 USDT future credits for taking a trade in Ethereum, BTC, whatever you like. Okay, cool. So make sure the only condition is do the live stream deposit. If you don't do live stream deposit, which is basically over here, can you see this live stream? Yeah, in that live stream, can you see this is the deposit option over here? That is the deposit option which you need to be clicked, and deposit 20 USDT. We will be providing you a 200 USDT future credits for trade. Okay, this is that deposit option which you need to click and follow. You know what the procedure is, you know all the procedure, you know each and every of those things, like what to do, how to do every of those things. This is a crypto deposit. Okay, just click on that and follow the procedure of the deposit. 20 USDT, you get 200 USDT free. Like you can see it from over here. Can you see 200 future USDT? Yeah. See, deposit 20 and get 200 USDT notional free trading position. Got it? 200 USDT. By this depositing 20. Do not miss this opportunity. This is a very Christmas gift. Basically, we consider it as a Christmas gift. This is a Christmas gift for each and every person. Right now, click on the deposit option over here. This is that option. Right now, click the deposit option over here. This is the deposit option. Click this deposit option and make your deposit and earn 200 USDT. That is basically 10 times more of what you are receiving. You are giving 20 but receiving 200. That makes your new balance as 220 USDT, by the way. Okay, so understand these things and do your investment, the deposit. 200 USDT. That is basically 10 times more of what you are receiving. You are giving 20 but receiving 200. That makes your new balance as 220 USDT, by the way. Okay, so understand these things and why I know what happened. Why are you do your investment, the deposit. Why I know what happened. Why are you okay? Cool. So we were discussing regarding the trading strategy over here. This is the trading strategy which we are discussing. The spot investment like a whale strategy. First step I told you over here. You can see the first step. Whale, it's a crypto investment strategy. First step, open trading view. Second step, crypto market overview. Can we see a crypto market overview? Yes. See, this is the crypto market overview. From there, go scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. There are some news or what? Bitcoin channel, no one talks about New Year crash. Bitcoin holds demand retest at this level, blah 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 blah. Okay, okay. So the normal updates, not the big ones. So market cap, go more down, go more down, go more down. Till the point what? Till the point you see crypto collection. Can you see a crypto collection over there? Yes. Can we see a crypto collection? In that crypto collection means what? This is filter out versions for each and every of those things out there. Like every like DeFi coins, gainers, losers, highest supply, lowest supply, 20 to 52 week high, 52 week low. These are basically like filter out versions of each things. Filter out versions of each things. Okay. So for that, we have to focus on two things. For spot trading, we focus on two things. One is what? 52-week high, and second is lowest supply. Okay, these are the two things we are going to focus on. One, 52-week high, second, lowest supply. So we will write our steps over here in a side by side. So for that, we have to focus. Third step, for spot trading, we focus on two things. One is what? 52-week high, and collection. Lowest supply. In that, we are finding one 52-week high. We are focusing on only two situations: lowest supply and 52-week high. These are the only two situations we are going to focus on. Third step, collection. In that, we are finding we are focusing on only two situations: lowest supply and 52-week high. These are the only two situations we are going to focus on. Okay, so third step is what? I will reduce the size because there are more steps gonna come. I need space for each and every steps to be marked. Okay. Third step is what? Crypto collection. We can see here. Can you see a crypto collection from where? See from the overview. If you click on the overview, crypto overview, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down till the point you see what? Crypto collections. We saw the crypto collections. Then what we are going to do is once we saw the crypto collection, we are going to look at the lowest supply. One is over here. Can you see lowest supply? And second one is 52-week high, which we can see over here. Now, let me explain you what do you mean by 52-week high and what do you mean by lowest supply. First, let's talk about lowest supply. We saw the crypto collections. Then what we are going to do is once we saw the crypto collection, we are going to look at the lowest supply. First, let's talk about a lowest supply. How? No, sorry. First, talk about 52-week high. What do you mean by 52-week high? What do you mean by 52-week? In a year, there are 365 days, right? 365 days, but weeks are like sometime it is 52, sometime it is 53. Consider 52. 52 week means a year. And high means because you can see two option over there. 52-week high also you can see and 52-week low also you can see. We don't have to focus on low. I will tell you reason why. Okay. 52-week high means 52 weeks, 1 year. 1 year high means in complete 1 year that coins those coin which is gaining profit in overall year, they are at their all time highs, that they are earning profit, they are earning, the market is pumping up, every of those coin which is gaining a great amount of investment, a great amount of profit in overall year will be represented where in the 52-week high. Every day it changes, it's not like the same thing which will you will able to see every day same thing. Every day some new coins will be updated over here. 52-week low is basically in overall 1 year, which is those coin which is completely down. Okay, at their lowest price. 52-week high, those coin which is at their highest price. 52-week low, those coin which are at their lowest price. Okay, now why do we not focus on the lowest like 52-week low? Why we don't focus on 52-week low? One reason, in if we go to see any horse race and if you bet on a horse race, now which horse would you prefer? Would you prefer a horse who is losing his race throughout the year, or would you prefer that horse who is winning the race throughout the year? On which horse are you gonna put your bet to win the race? Obviously, the horse who is winning the race throughout the year. That's the only reason why we pick 52-week high and not 52-week low. Most of the people, you might have seen this one thing, that there in a lot of YouTube channels, a lot of different podcasts, a lot of different videos, you might see like people will tell you to focus on 52-week low because these are the coin which is at the most lowest price at this point. Okay, and being at the most lowest price, they will tell you ki like now you can buy at a more cheaper price and blah blah. But they are the falling coins, not the rising coins. We put in a spot trading, we buy cheap and sell high. If the market is falling down, then we don't have an option to buy cheap. And even if we buy again, it falls, then it is not rising above. We sell high, we don't sell low. So rather than focusing on 52-week low, we should focusing on those coin which is going above and earning profit throughout the year. That is what we should be focusing on. So 52-week high is the one. Welcome user 50586989. Welcome all the new users on the live stream. If you are a new user, do tell me. I have one Dogecoin completely free of cost for you as a Christmas gift. And if you are the other user, like for example, existing user, then you just have to deposit 20 USDT and I am gonna give you 200 USDT future credit for taking trades. Okay. So please make sure to understand these things. It is for each and every new user out there. Okay. I have one Dogecoin completely free of cost for you as a Christmas gift. One second, Zoeb Khan जी, मैं ना एक बार वापस थोड़ा पुश करता हूँ चीजें. Okay. So please make sure to understand these things. It is for each and every new user out there. Okay. मैं आपके लिए वापस से चीजें पुश करता हूँ. ठीक है, कि थोड़ा जल्दी से रिस्पॉन्स दे दो, जल्दी से एक बार वापस थोड़ा पुश करता हूँ चीजें. मैं आपके लिए वापस से चीजें पुश करता हूँ. ठीक है, कि थोड़ा जल्दी से रिस्पॉन्स दे दो, जल्दी से. मैंने फिर से उन्हें मैसेज डाला है आपके लिए. मैंने फिर से उन्हें मैं बार बार मैसेज कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, वो करेंगे रिस्पॉन्स. अभी लाइक आ गया है कि हाँ देखते हैं. जरूर वो आपको रिस्पॉन्स करेंगे. Welcome user 303685. If you haven't till now done any deposit, then you can win one Dogecoin as a Christmas gift from me. And plus, if you want to earn free 200 USDT worth of trade from my side, then you need to do the live stream deposit. Can you see a deposit button over here? Yes. This is that deposit which you need to make, and you can gain 200 USDT worth of trade from just by doing one simple live stream deposit of 20 USDT. That's all, nothing else. Okay. So again, like we were discussing regarding 52-week high, I explained you. From my side, then you need to do the live stream deposit. Can you see a deposit button over here? Yes. This is that deposit which you need to make, and you can gain 200 USDT worth of trade from just by doing one simple live stream deposit of 20 USDT. That's all, nothing else. Okay. So again, like we were discussing regarding 52-week high, I explained you. Okay, so I have explained you what you need to do. 52-week high and lowest supply. I told you why 52-week high, because 52-week high gives you those coin which is earning profit throughout the year. Throughout the year, we are having a good amount of profit. That is what this can make you earn a profit throughout the year. If you are earning profit, so that you can have a good amount of investment in that moment. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is lowest supply. I will explain you later when we come to the lowest supply. Throughout the year, we are having a good amount of profit. That is what this can make you earn a profit throughout the year. If you are earning profit, so that you can have a good amount of investment in that moment. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is lowest supply. I will explain you later when we come to the lowest supply. Okay, so 52-week high. Why? Okay, so 52-week high. Why? Okay, 52-week high. Click on this 52-week high. The next step will follow up to do it for both. Once we'll do it for the 52-week high, and once we'll do it for the other thing, which is our lowest supply. Okay. Opening Telegram channel was a mistake. I can't reply on the live streams to everybody. So, as I told you about the 52-week high thing, 52-week high is those coin in here. Can you see right now it is 18 coins, symbol of 18 coin, which means there are now 18 different coins over here. All are cryptocurrency. There is no stock over here because we are watching cryptocurrency only, right? So if we are watching a cryptocurrency over here, we can see one thing, that each and every of those coins are cryptocurrency, first thing. And second thing, that all these 18 coins are picked, filter out version for you, which is performing the best in overall year. That means compared to whatever happened past year, past year, this year they are at their best price. People are investing it, and people are making this currency go up, 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 up. Okay, now we are going to focus on these things. We have clicked on the 52-week high. In this, you can see these coins have reached their 52-week high, which another way saying they are the highest price in the year. Do some additional research, analyze to stat the people, obviously. But the core meaning you understand, which in another way saying that they are the highest price in the year, which means throughout the year they are having some profit and have made them in the highest price zone. Got it? After this thing, what we are going to do is, this is all 18 coins, but are we going to invest in 18 coins? No, we are gonna filter out from it, because as the title says that we are gonna focus on which coins. We are gonna focus on coin which is under $1, so that your investment will be less but the profit can be huge. Basically investing a small and gaining big. That's what all the retailers dream is, that they don't want to invest big, they want to invest small, but they want to gain the bigger profit. And this is that one investment strategy which can help you earn in investment small but gaining into the big huge amount. Got it? Cool. So what we're gonna do is, first step. See, we will divide it into two parts. One, we will do it for the lowest supply, and one we will do it for the 52-week high. They both have like the steps are very similar. The 1 to 2 changes will be there. That's all. Okay. First, let's go on the 52-week high. One thing what we need to do is filter out from these 18 coins all those coins which is under $1, which is not even $1 right now, which is under $1. For example, say this is 136 USDT. We don't want 136 USDT. We'll cancel that thing. Okay. This is into E minus 12. We don't deal with E minus 12. Understand this thing. Even if it says 0.9, but still it is E to the ratio of minus 12, which is like negative kind of stuff. Okay. So we don't deal with those things as well. 52 cancel this, cancel this, cancel. Okay, when we saw law blocks, AI, LBT, LBT, can you see an LBT over here? LBT, law block, AI, 0.22 USDT. There is no E minus 2 thing over there. That means it is about like under $1, but not in a negative way. Okay, E minus are like too low. Yeah, so it's like very hard to achieve a profit in those. Okay, so right now we saw one coin till now point, that is law blocks AI, 0.2 USDT it is. Okay, let's keep on checking another more, just one more. It's just today is just one. Okay, it is a hard luck for today. If you are looking for today investment, then there is just one coin which is in our filter out version of under a dollar, which is law block AI 0.2251158. This is the only one coin. It's totally fine. See, there might be some situations like this which will come. Like if you go on the 52-week high, and in that day, you might not see that there are a lot of coins out there. You might not see that there are coins like just one coin is there in 0.02, but that is totally fine. Come tomorrow, come day after tomorrow, come day after to day after tomorrow. Every day this filter changes. Every day they will provide you a new coin. Every day there will be some coin which has made the highest in this price. So this filter will change every day, that you don't have to worry about. Okay, today is just one, that means a whole year it is one? No, every day it changes. So right now today there is just one coin, which is more easy because I can show you an example of one coin only. Okay, so let's click on first. What we want to do is pick a coin. That is the first step. What is pick a coin under a dollar? That's what we did. 0.22158 under a dollar. Correct? Picked it. Okay. Now after that, what we're gonna do is come above and click what performance, because we have to analyze now how good it performed. Even if it created an all-time high doesn't mean that it is the best coin. Invest in it blindly, invest, close your eyes and invest, put your money. No, that doesn't mean that. So we have to do what? Analyze. First we just did a filter out version, that we found a one coin which is under a dollar. Now we are going to analyze it, if it is a good for investment or not good for investment. Okay, so click on the performance over here. We'll click on the performance. Now in this way, can you see a changes over here? Can you see some red, green, red, green, all those kind of stuff? Now what you can say, change in 24 hours, performance in 1 week, performance in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, year, 1 year, 5 year, 10 year, and all time. Got it? It is from 24 hours, means like recently yesterday, to 10 years of performance you can calculate in one place. This performance filter out of the trading is so strong and so good that it can give you a complete overall overview of that coin, how we performed yesterday, how we performed in 1 week, how we performed in 3 months, 6 months, year, 1 year, 5 year, 10 year. Till that long period of time of performance you can calculate, you can analyze of that one coin. Once you analyze the performance of that, exactly that whatever, like from 24/7 to 10 years of performance you analyze, then we will see if it is good for investment or not good for investment. Okay, so first come down to what are AI block. Okay, this AI, so law block AI. Got it? Cool. First thing, market cap, all those things we'll check out later. The only thing we have to check out right now is performance from 24 hours till the 10 years. Okay, we'll see all the performance. Okay, so what we can see, 24 hours is 0.65, 1 week is 1%, 1 month is 22%, in 3 months 68%, 6 months 71%, 1 year YTD is basically, if you calculate an average of 1 year, it is 101. 1 year was 99. 5 year is -10, and in 10 year is -10, and all time high is -10. Okay, so there is a filter out version for it, but right now we are not having that. We are just having one coin. We don't have 4 to 5 coins. Usually there are 4 to 5 coins over here. Usually there are 4 to 5 coins over here, but today it is just one coin. So we'll leave it. We'll just discuss with one coin. But I will tell you condition, from 24/7 till the 10 hours. Can you see 10 years? Can you see everything green, green, and green? Now this is what we need. Today it is not here. That is completely fine. Maybe in the lowest supply, maybe we can find it. But what we need to find it, the filter out version, that since 24 hours till the 10 years, it should be completely in a green. like profit throughout the year. First is yearly wise it is having a profit, so we can consider it. Consideration can be okay, but for a legitimate 100% of safe risk free investment, we require a complete green from 24/7 till the 10 years. Can you see a 10-year over here? Till the 10-year it should be in a positive, it should be in a profitable situation from the day of the investment till the 24/7. It should be completely inside the profit. Got it? That is a one thing. Okay, so what we need to do over here is, right now we just having one coin which is $100 right now, but I've told you this thing before as well, like every day this thing will change. Today it is 18, tomorrow it might be 13, tomorrow it might be 20, maybe 22, maybe 23. It will change. The coins here will change. New coins will keep on coming, new coins will keep on adding up to the situation. Okay, welcome user 209726. I am discussing a whale strategy for all of you people so that you can invest exactly the way whale does. Exactly how a whale invest, you can invest same way. Send me $1. New coins will keep on coming, new coins will keep on adding up to the situation. Okay. Welcome user 209726. I'm gonna ignore you the way I just did throughout the live stream. If you just keep, if all any of the people, if they keep asking me money in the live stream, I'm gonna ignore you all people. You all know this is not the way to ask money. You all know I'm not gonna provide it. I can provide you is a gift, not a free money. There is no such things happening from my end in which I provide you money. So it's no point of asking money from me in the live stream. So please stop asking money from me in the live stream. Okay, cool. So what is the first thing what we are going to do is we'll see. See, right now I'm considering it because in yearly wise it is in a profit. But to be having a safe and risk free, it should be in the 5-year positive as well, and it should be in the 10-year positive as well. You can see some coins are so into the positive. See, 19%, 68, 59,000, 59,000, 59,000, 59,000, 59,000, 59,000, 59,000, 59,000. 59,000% up. You can see such kind of this coins as well in the market, which is very easy to find. Okay, but as the filter says, we are trading, we are doing investment only in the coins under $1. That coin is not under $1, so no point of checking that. But you may see such kind of dollar coin after that as well. Okay, so do not forget it. You can see such kind of this coins as well in the market, which is very easy to find. So we'll see first this coin approved. See, just for explaining you, I'm proving it is a risk because it is yearly performance is good, not the 5-year, not the 10-year, but the minus is not that much. It's just 10% compared to the year wise performance of 99.98%. It's just 10% lacking in the 5 years, so that is completely fine. Okay, so what we gonna do, we approved it that it is having a positive reaction from the market, 24/7 positive, 1 week positive, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 5 year. It is having a positive. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this law blocks AI. Now we are going to look for what kind of coin it is. Filter out in the version of, we did it first in the price filter out, then we did performance filter out. Now we are going to do a type filter out. If it's a stable coin, if it's a altcoin, or if it's a meme coin. Okay, that we're going to do. We'll come down over here, come down over here. See, about, when you go to the down and you see about AI, law block AI, in over here, if it's a meme coin, it will be written as a meme coin. If it's not written as a meme coin, then it means it is not a meme coin. I will show you example. I will show you example. Okay. Example. I love puppies. Okay. Obviously, this is a meme coin. So I love puppies. If you go about, can you see category memes? Now this is what you see when it's a meme coin. When you go in about, just what you need to do is click on this. Just click on the coin, like click. It will take you to the page of the overview of that specific coin. In that, click on the overview, drag down, and see about the coin. And in the category, if it's a meme coin, it will show meme over here. Okay. In the same way, if there is nothing written, if there is not written meme coin category meme coin, then it is not a meme coin. Every meme coin category will be written as a meme coin. So the coin which we are discussing right now is a law. Where is that? Where is that? LBT. Yeah, I will show you again. First filter out what we did is because of the price under a dollar. It was under a dollar investment 0.22 something. Then we checked out the performance from 24 hours till the 1 year. It is completely in the profitable scenario. So we are going to do right now what is the third filter, which is a type filter. Good deed. What good deed? What do you mean good DID user 233209? Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining the live stream, by the way. And if you want to earn a free one Dogecoin from my side, then you have to be a new user. Do your first deposit in the live stream. I'll provide you one Dogecoin. Plus, on that thing, if you haven't got the Zbit Christmas gift, which is 200 USDT profit, 200 USDT future credit you get for taking the trade. Okay. So for that one thing, what you need to do is a very simple thing, which is deposit 20 USDT inside the live stream. Okay, deposit 20 USDT inside the live stream and confirm me in the group. Okay, I have a live stream group over here. I will show you the live stream group. Okay, can you see the more option over here? Once you click on the more option, click on the more, and can you see Telegram group? Yeah, this is the Telegram group. Join this group. Click on this, you will see the zbit.com live with Yash. Yes, this is that zbit.com live with Yash. Join this group so that you can see that thing, so that you can earn the profit like that. Okay. You can earn profit in that way just by simply doing the deposit of the live stream. If you do a 20 USD deposit in the live stream right now, then you will be earning 200 free USDT trade from my side. It's a Christmas gift for all of you people. Just 200 USD deposit in the live stream, and you will be earning what? You will be earning a profit of 200 future USDT credit for the trade. Do not miss out this Christmas gift because this is a limited time offer. Once the Christmas is over, maybe the reward will also be over. So please, to understand this thing, it's a limited time offer. Make sure that you are doing a deposit only via live stream, because that's the condition. Do the live stream via deposit in the live stream and receive 200 USDT from my side by or taking a trade. Okay, that is a bonus amount. This is not going to be withdrawable. You cannot withdraw the 200 USD, but you can take the trade of 200 USD in Ethereum or Bitcoin and earn whatever profit you earn. Whatever profit you are earning from that you can completely keep for yourself. Okay, completely that will be your profit. You can earn a very huge amount of profit by investing 200 USD in the future. Okay, so if you are interested, then what you need to do is simply come on the live stream, do the live stream deposit, click on it, deposit 20 USDT, which will be approximately 1800 something. 1800 you deposit on the live stream in INR. I'm talking about. Okay, if people are from INR, if people understand the INR language, I'm telling you INR is 1800 rupees. Is approximately your investment for 20 USDT. Once you complete that USDT, send me a screenshot or a text in my group, the live stream group, the Telegram live stream group, and then I will be giving you how you can access, how you can claim that free 200 worth of USDT worth of trade, which you can see over here. Can you see it? If you come over here, if you slide it, can you see 200 future credit? Click on that thing. Okay, once you click on that thing, can you see this? First thing, deposit reward, deposit 20 USDT and get 200 USDT trade position. 200. It can be either Ethereum, it can be either BTC. Okay, depend on whatever you think. That amount of trade you can take in the live in your account and earn a bigger profit. But for that, this is the place where you do the deposit. Got it? Live stream deposit 20 USDT. You receive 200 USDT profit. Very limited time offer. Grab it now. In your account and earn a bigger profit. But for that, this is the place where you do the deposit. Got it? Live stream deposit 20 USDT. You receive 200 USDT profit. Very limited time offer. Grab it now. Okay, cool. Let's come back to our discussion. Let's come back to our investment plan. Let's come back to here. So, like I said to all people, what you need to do is throughout the year performance from 24/7 to 1 year should be in a positive action. Welcome user 153078 on the live stream and also user 604047. Have you made up your mind of receiving 200 USDT just by doing a deposit of 20 USDT inside the live stream? If you do it, I will give you 200 USDT worth of pre-trade in Ethereum or BTC to earn a very huge amount of profit from it. Whatever profit comes, you can keep it for yourself. The same way you did the first free future trade, 20 USDT. Now we are giving it for 200 USDT. 200 USDT. I will give you 200 USDT worth of pre-trade in Ethereum or BTC to earn a very huge amount of profit from it. Whatever profit comes, you can keep it for yourself. The same first free future trade, 20 USDT. Now we are giving it for 200 USDT. 200 USDT. Yeah, sorry. We were discussing law block. Once we click on it, then we go on the third filter. Okay, third filter. What is the third filter? Checking if the law block any of those coins are a category of a meme coin or not. They are not the meme coin. If it's meme coin, it will be mentioned over here. If it's not mentioned, that means they are not the meme coins, and that is a good to go. After that, what we're gonna do is, after that, we have 2 to 3 things to check. One is circulating supply. One is the market cap. Where is the market cap? Sorry, circulating supply, market, yeah, market capitalism. What is the market cap right now, and what is the total supply of that coin? Okay, supply of the coin is very important. Total supply is very circulating right now is very low. That is a good sign. Good sign. Why? Because very easily we can earn a very good amount of profit from it, like maybe less than 1 year or 2 year we can earn profit if the circulating supply remains 245 million right now. But if it adds up more and more, then the coin to touch 1 USDT will be little less chance. Okay, got it? So total supply is how much? 1 billion. Total is 1 billion. Billion is a very huge amount of supply. Billion is like a lot. Like for filling up, for buying a billion kind of coins, we require a very heavy investment, and not all institutions go for such kind of investment in the very new trades, very new coins. This is a very new coin to invest, by the way, to be very, very frank. Okay. Welcome all the users on the live stream. All of the people should gain the Christmas gift of 200 USDT. Can you see 200 USDT future credit? What you need to do is simply deposit 20 USDT inside the live stream option. Hi, hello user 610888. If you do the deposit of 20 USDT inside the live stream option, which is nothing, just 2000 of your INR. If you are an INR person, yeah, you are an INR person. If you are an INR person, just 2000 you deposit in the live stream option. Where is the live stream option? Can you click on this live? And if you go over here, can you see the deposit option? Click हिंदी में बोल भाई. परफेक्ट. तो मैं ये बोल रहा हूं कि जीबिट ने एक क्रिसमस का गिफ्ट लॉन्च किया है. अभी गिफ्ट क्या करता है, कैसे कमाते हैं ये गिफ्ट को, मैं वो चीज बता रहा हूं. ठीक है. अगर आप ये यहाँ पे ऐड का सेक्शन, यहाँ पे ऐड का सेक्शन दिख रहा है, ये ना ऐड चलती रहती है. यहाँ पे पहले ये मेरा लाइव स्ट्रीम का ऐड है, फिर ये आता है 50% कमीशन का ऐड, फिर ये आता है साउथ अफ्रीका का लाइसेंस, और उसके बाद आता है 200 क्रेडिट. ठीक है. अब इस पे अगर मैं क्लिक करता हूं, ये 200 के ऊपर मैं क्लिक करता हूं, तो मुझे क्या दिखता है कि यहाँ पे ये नया जीबिट ने लॉन्च गिफ्ट वहां पे लॉन्च किया हुआ है. इससे क्या मिलता है, इसके पास है दो गिफ्ट. एक है डिपॉजिट का. अगर आप आज लाइव स्ट्रीम में यहाँ पे 20 यूएसडीटी का डिपॉजिट करते हो तो आपको मिलता है 200 यूएसडीटी फ्यूचर क्रेडिट, जो मिलता है ट्रेड लेने के लिए. ठीक है. तो ये है लाइव स्ट्रीम मेरा, ये देख रहे हो, ये अपना लाइव स्ट्रीम है. अब इस लाइव स्ट्रीम के ऑप्शन पे नीचे में यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन दिख रहा है आपको, एक कोने में डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन है. अगर इस डिपॉजिट के ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करके आप 20 यूएसडीटी डिपॉजिट करते हो आज, तो मैं आपको, ये हुई ना बात. हाँ, ये वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये अभी मैं हिंदी में आ गया हूँ. ठीक है. तो अगर ये यहाँ पे आप लाइव स्ट्रीम पे डिपॉजिट करते हो 20 यूएसडीटी, मतलब अपने इंडिया का होता है 2000 रुपए. 2000 भी नहीं, कुछ 1800 के आसपास होता है, कुछ तो 1800 के आसपास कुछ तो नहीं. ठीक है. अगर आप ये 1800 के आसपास या 2000 डिपॉजिट करते हो आज लाइव स्ट्रीम के अंदर, तो मैं आपको देता हूं क्या, तो मैं आपको देता हूं 200 फ्यूचर यूएसडीटी का क्रेडिट, जो आप ले सकते हो ट्रेड लेने के लिए. आप इसके पहले कितने का ट्रेड लेते होंगे, 10 यूएसडी का ट्रेड लिया होगा, 50 का लिया होगा, और उस पे आपको पता है प्रॉफिट कितना मिलता है. कभी मिल गया तो 10 मिल गया, कभी मिल गया तो 20 मिल गया, कभी मिल गया तो 30-40 मिल गया. ये प्रॉफिट मिलते हैं सिर्फ 50-100 इन्वेस्ट करने के बाद. अब मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं कि मैं आपको 200 यूएसडीटी का ट्रेड दे रहा हूं, मतलब आपका ट्रेड ओपन होगा 200 यूएसडीटी का. जो पैसा मैं दे रहा हूं आपको भी वो इन्वेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं आपको वो पैसा दे रहा हूं 200 यूएसडीटी का, जिसमें आप ट्रेड ले सकते हो. एंड जो भी प्रॉफिट कमाओगे उसके ऊपर, वो पूरा आपका प्रॉफिट, पूरा का पूरा प्रॉफिट आपका होगा. आपको बस एक चीज करनी है, वो क्या करनी है, ये लाइव स्ट्रीम का जो ऑप्शन है डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन, इस पे कितना 20 यूएसडीटी डिपॉजिट करना. ठीक है. 20 या उससे ज्यादा वो आपके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है, मिनिमम 20 है. अगर आज 20 यूएसडी डिपॉजिट करते हो तो आपको क्या मिलता है, 200 फ्यूचर यूएसडी ट्रेड लेने के लिए. ठीक है. ये है हमारा ऑफर क्रिसमस का सारे यूजर के लिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ नए यूजर के लिए है, पुराने यूजर के लिए, ये सारे यूजर के लिए. बट अगर आप नए यूजर हो, लकी बाय लक चांस, अगर आप नए यूजर हो और आपने 20 का यूएसडी किया है, तो उसके ऊपर मैं क्या देता हूं आपको, एक डोजकॉइन फ्री, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ नए यूजर हो. आप यहाँ पे मेरे स्क्रीन में देख पा रहे होंगे, ऊपर में मैंने लिखा हुआ है न्यू यूजर बोनस 1 डोजकॉइन फ्रॉम यश. ठीक है. तो अगर आप नए यूजर भी हो साथ ही साथ, तो मैं आपको एक डोजकॉइन भी उसके ऊपर फ्री दूंगा. समझ में आ गई बात, क्लियर है. ये क्रिसमस का गिफ्ट है, हर बार नहीं रहेगा, ये जल्द ही चले जाएगा. तो ये गिफ्ट को जितना जल्दी लोगे उतना जल्दी बेनिफिट मिलेगा, नहीं तो ये वापस से 200 यूएसडीटी का ट्रेड लेने का ऑप्शन चले जाएगा. फ्री का 200 यूएसडीटी चले जाएगा. डिपॉजिट 20 यूएसडी कर रहे हो, पर मिल उससे दुगना रहा है आप. ठीक है. सारे यूजर के लिए है ये, सबके सब यूजर के लिए है. आज ही ये लाइव स्ट्रीम का डिपॉजिट पे क्लिक करो और यहां से क्रिप्टो डिपॉजिट करो। कितना करना है? 20 यूएसडीटी। ठीक है, और यूएसडीटी डिपॉजिट करना है, बाकी दूसरे वो बीएनबी वाले कॉइन डिपॉजिट मत करो, कोई मतलब नहीं है उसमें। 20 यूएसडीटी डिपॉजिट करो आज और मेरे तरफ से पाओ 200 यूएसडीटी का फ्री फ्यूचर क्रेडिट जो आपको मिलेगा ट्रेड लेने के लिए। जो भी प्रॉफिट कमाओगे उसके ऊपर वो पूरा आपका प्रॉफिट है, और आपको तो पता ही है, एक अगर 200 यूएसडीटी का ट्रेड ले लिया तो वो कितना बड़ा ट्रेड होता है, ये तो आप जानते ही हो। डिपॉजिट करो आज और मेरे तरफ से पाओ 200 यूएसडीटी का फ्री फ्यूचर क्रेडिट जो आपको मिलेगा ट्रेड। ठीक है, तो ये था वो इसका। अब हम वापस आ जाते हैं हमारे टॉपिक के ऊपर जो है आज वेल कैसे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, वेल कैसा पैसा कमाता है, इन चीजों के बारे में मैं आज बात करूँ। ठीक है, मैंने ऑलरेडी अपने स्टेप बता चुका हूँ कि कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है, 52 वीक हाई में एंटर करना है, 52 वीक हाई होता क्या है, ये सारी चीजें मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ। अब हम थे तीसरे स्टेप के ऊपर, जो हम फिल्टर आउट करते हैं कॉइन, अगर वो अल्ट कॉइन है या फिर वो स्टेबल कॉइन है या फिर वो मीम कॉइन। मीम कॉइन में हम ट्रेड नहीं लेते। मीम कॉइन कैसा है कि वो बहुत ट्रेंड के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। मीम कॉइन फाइनेंशियल कॉइन नहीं होते, इससे हम प्रॉफिट कमा सकते हैं, बट जब वो ट्रेंड में है, अब वो ट्रेंड के आने तक हम वेट तो नहीं करेंगे ना, ऑब्वियसली हमें चाहिए, हमें झटपट काम चाहिए कि आज किया इन्वेस्ट, आज किया प्रॉफिट, वैसा वाला काम चाहिए। तो ये स्पॉट कॉइन आज किया, आज तो प्रॉफिट नहीं देगा ऑब्वियसली। स्पॉट कॉइन होता है जैसे आप सोना खरीदते हो, आप देखते हो कि यार ये साल का सबसे लोएस्ट पॉइंट है, यहाँ पे सोना सबसे सस्ता मिल रहा है, तो आप क्या करते हो? सोना खरीद लेते हो, घर में रख देते हो, और जब सोने का प्राइस बहुत अच्छा चलता है कि एकदम मतलब 4 गुना ज्यादा, 5 गुना ज्यादा, 10 गुना ज्यादा, तब आप क्या करते हो? बेच देते हो। ये स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग का भी जो चीजें होती है वो एग्जैक्टली सेम होती है। स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग में भी हम यही चीज करते हैं। हम क्या करते हैं? कॉइन ढूंढते हैं सबसे चीप प्राइस में और वेट करते हैं साल 2 साल का। जैसे ही स्पॉट कॉइन बहुत ऊपर चले जाता है तो हम बेच देते हैं, ये हम करते हैं। आज मैं जो टेक्निक लेके आया हूं, जो स्ट्रैटेजी में लेके आया हूं, वो क्या है? हम ट्रेड करते हैं कॉइन जो $1 के भी नीचे, 0 पॉइंट के नीचे, 0 पॉइंट दिस, 0 पॉइंट दैट, 0 पॉइंट दिस, 0 पॉइंट दैट, इन कॉइन में ट्रेड करेंगे। क्वांटिटी सबसे ज्यादा होनी चाहिए। अब तुम सोना जितना ज्यादा खरीदते हो उतना ज्यादा प्रॉफिट मिलता है कि नहीं मिलता है? तुम एक चेन खरीदोगे, एक चेन के ऊपर तुम्हें कितना ही, अगर मैंने आज खरीद ली एक सोने की चेन खरीदी, अब उस एक सोने की चेन के ऊपर मैं बेचने भी चाहता हूं तो मेरे को प्रॉफिट कितना ही मिल जाएगा ना, एक चेन का कितना ही मिल जाएगा। तो स्पॉट की ट्रेडिंग का मेन फंडा क्या है कि आपकी क्वांटिटी बहुत ज्यादा होनी चाहिए। क्वांटिटी ज्यादा रहेगी, प्रॉफिट ज्यादा मिलेगा। क्वांटिटी हम यहाँ पे ट्रेड करेंगे, लेंगे, कोशिश करेंगे क्या यूएसडीटी अदर चेन में सेंड हो सकती है, अदर अदर चेन, अदर ब्लॉक चेन मतलब क्या। एंड सारे के सारे यूजर अभी बहुत सारे यूजर आ गए, इन सब लोगों को मैं बता देता हूँ। ये लाइव स्ट्रीम का यहाँ पे ना एक टेलीग्राम चैनल मैंने खोला हुआ है। ठीक है, यहाँ पे टेलीग्राम अभी बहुत रिसेंटली 2-3 दिन पहले ही मैंने टेलीग्राम चैनल बनाया है सिर्फ लाइव स्ट्रीम के लोगों के लिए। तो यहाँ पे ये लाइव स्ट्रीम के लोग यहाँ पे क्लिक करो एंड सारे के सारे सबसे पहले तो ये लाइव स्ट्रीम का चैनल ज्वाइन कर लो टेलीग्राम पे। ये बहुत काम में आएगा। यहाँ पे मैं सारे गिफ्ट्स, रिवॉर्ड, बेनिफिट, लाइव स्ट्रीम कब आ रहा है, लाइव स्ट्रीम कब हो रहा है, थोड़ा मार्केट के अपडेट मैं सारे यहाँ पे देते रहता हूँ। कल ही मैंने यहाँ पे मार्केट का अपडेट डाला था कि मार्केट गिरने वाली है, और आज तुम देख सकते हो सारी मार्केट धीरे 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 नीचे गिरना चालू हो चुकी है। तो ऐसे सारे अपडेट के लिए ये सबसे पहले मेरा लाइव स्ट्रीम का, ये सॉरी टेलीग्राम का चैनल ज्वाइन करो यहाँ पे, जिसमें मैं सारे अपडेट देते रहता हूँ। ठीक है, और प्लस क्रिसमस का गिफ्ट जल्द ही खत्म हो जाएगा, उससे पहले ये सारे क्रिसमस के गिफ्ट ले लो, जिसमें 200 यूएसडीटी का ट्रेड मिलेगा 20 यूएसडीटी डिपॉजिट करने के बाद। तो ये ले लो जल्दी से। क्या करना है? सिर्फ लाइव स्ट्रीम पे 20 यूएसडीटी डिपॉजिट करनी, और कुछ नहीं। लाइव स्ट्रीम पे 20 यूएसडीटी डिपॉजिट करते हो तो 200 यूएसडीटी फ्री बोनस मिलता है, फ्री बोनस 200 यूएसडीटी का। ठीक है, तो ये मिस आउट मत करो, ये चीजें, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सी चीज है। ये सारी की सारी चीजें मिस आउट मत करो। डिपॉजिट करो आज ही लाइव स्ट्रीम के अंदर। ये है लाइव स्ट्रीम का डिपॉजिट, ये यहाँ पे, ये लाइव स्ट्रीम में अंदर चले गए, ये यहाँ पे दिख रहा है ये डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन। ये डिपॉजिट के ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करो एंड डिपॉजिट करो। ठीक है, अब हम चलते हैं हमारे टॉपिक के ऊपर, हम कंटिन्यू करें। तो जैसे मैं बात कर रहा था कि ये है वेल का इन्वेस्टमेंट का स्ट्रैटेजी, ठीक है। जैसे वेल इन्वेस्ट करता है वैसे ही ये मैंने ऑलरेडी मैं हाफ पे मैंने आधा कंप्लीट कर दिया, ठीक है। अब मैं वापस से पूरा रिपीट नहीं करने वाला हूँ। अगर आप चाहते हो तो ये स्क्रॉल करके ना वीडियो स्टार्टिंग से देख लेना, तो आपको पूरा स्टार्टिंग से इन्वेस्टमेंट कैसे करना है पता चल जाएगा। हम ऑलरेडी बीच में थे, मैं बीच में हूँ अभी। मैंने ऑलरेडी पहला फिल्टर आउट कर लिया, दूसरा फिल्टर आउट कर लिया, तीसरा कर लिया, चौथा कर लिया, मैं पांचवा फिल्टर आउट करने जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है। पहले हमने देखा ये मीम कॉइन नहीं है, लॉ ब्लॉक एक वो कॉइन दिखा जो हमारे अंडर कॉइन था, मतलब अंडर डॉलर, 0.2 पे ट्रेड कर रहा है अभी, ठीक है। अब इसका सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाई हम देखेंगे, सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाई में कितना दिख रहा है, 247 मिलियन। मिलियन बहुत छोटा होता है, पहले ही बता देता हूं मैं। एक क्रिप्टो करेंसी के अंदर अगर तुम कोई भी क्रिप्टो करेंसी में देखते हो जिसका सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाई या फिर सप्लाई मिलियन में है, मतलब वो कॉइन का सप्लाई बहुत छोटा है एंड जल्द ही वो $1, $2, 10,000, 2,000 बन जाएगा। जितना क्वांटिटी कम होता है उतना प्राइस बढ़ने की चांस ज्यादा होती है। अब मैं थोड़ा एग्जांपल देता हूं कैसे, ठीक है। अभी सोना और हीरा, डायमंड और गोल्ड के प्राइस में धरती आसमान का फर्क है। ये क्यों है? डायमंड इतना महंगा क्यों है और सोना इतना सस्ता क्यों है डायमंड के कंपेरेटिव? ये गेम है सप्लाई का, ठीक है। जिस चीज की सप्लाई कम होती है वो चीज बहुत महंगी होती है। डायमंड गोल्ड के कंपेरेटिवली बहुत कम पाया जाता है अर्थ के ऊपर, इसलिए डायमंड की प्राइस बहुत ज्यादा है गोल्ड के कंपेरेटिव, ठीक है। अब गोल्ड का जो सप्लाई है, गोल्ड जितना मिलता है इस दुनिया में वो बहुत है कंपेयर टू डायमंड। ट्रेड करने के लिए बेस्ट टाइम कौन सा है? 5 मिनट, 15 मिनट, 30 मिनट। सी एनालाइज करो 1 घंटे के ऊपर, ट्रेड लो 15 मिनट के ऊपर। 5 मिनट में मतलब बहुत जल्दी ही चीजें चेंज हो जाती है, तो 5 मिनट में ट्रेड मत लो। एनालाइज करो मार्केट में क्या चल रहा है, ये देखो 1 घंटे की इस पे, और उसके जोन्स बनाओ। 1 घंटे में सप्लाई जोन बनाओ, 1 घंटे का सब डिमांड जोन बनाओ, 1 घंटे का फेयर वैल्यू गैप चेक करो 4 घंटे में अगर कोई फेयर वैल्यू गैप दिख रहा है कि नहीं। और एक बार बड़ा जोन भी देख लेना डे टाइम फ्रेम के ऊपर, डे टाइम फ्रेम में क्या जोन बन रहा है, मार्केट का स्ट्रक्चर क्या चल रहा है डे टाइम फ्रेम में, बहुत मायने करता है। डे टाइम फ्रेम 1 घंटा और 4 घंटा, ये 3 घंटा एनालाइज करने के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। 1 घंटे में मार्केट का स्ट्रक्चर देखो, मार्केट कहाँ मुड़ रहा है, उसके बाद में 4 घंटे में सप्लाई जोन, डिमांड जोन और फेयर वैल्यू गैप बनाओ, और उसी को करेक्ट करो 1 घंटे के अंदर। 4 घंटे में बना दिया, 1 घंटे में उसको थोड़ा हल्का सा करेक्शन दो। करेक्शन देने के बाद में वेट करो जब अपना मार्केट अपने जोन के पास आ जाए। जैसी जोन के पास आ जाए शिफ्ट करो 15 मिनट के चार्ट पे, 15 मिनट के चार्ट पे वो ट्रेड को एग्जीक्यूट करो जो भी मूवमेंट बनता है। अगर फेयर वैल्यू गैप सेल साइड की है तो सेल का ट्रेड लो, अगर फेयर वैल्यू गैप ग्रीन साइड मतलब बाय ऑर्डर की है तो बाय का ट्रेड लो। अगर मार्केट सप्लाई जोन के पास है तो सेल का ट्रेड लो, अगर मार्केट डिमांड जोन के पास है तो बाय का ट्रेड लो। ये सबसे सिंपल टेक्निक है, सबसे दी मोस्ट सिंपल टेक्निक है। और इसके अलावा भी कल कल मैं इस दुनिया की सबसे सिंपल स्ट्रैटेजी एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूं जिसे हम बोलते हैं ओपनिंग रेंज ब्रेकआउट स्ट्रैटेजी, ठीक है। कल का लाइव स्ट्रीम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होगा क्योंकि जिन लोगों को नहीं समझता है मार्केट कैसा पढ़ते हैं, मार्केट कहां जा रहा है, मार्केट क्या हो रहा है, मार्केट में ये ऊपर कैसे चलेगा, ये नीचे कैसे चलेगा, अरे इतनी बड़ी कैंडल कैसे आ गई, अरे छोटी छोटी कैंडल क्यों आ रही है, ये सारी चीजें अगर नहीं समझ में आती है और ये सब चीजें समझना की इच्छा भी नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं है। मैं कल लेके आऊंगा सबसे इजी स्ट्रैटेजी जिसे हम बोलते हैं ORB स्ट्रैटेजी। आप देख सकते हो, आप गूगल में कर लो, इसे हम बोलते हैं ओपनिंग रेंज ब्रेकआउट स्ट्रैटेजी। बहुत सिंपल स्ट्रैटेजी है, इसमें कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता है, सिर्फ जो जो चीजें मैं बोलूंगा वो चीजें लिख के रख लेना, वो चीजें मार्केट में ढूंढ लेना और प्रॉफिट मिल जाएगा। सबसे इजी। मार्केट का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है कोई लेना देना नहीं है, मार्केट में डिमांड जोन कहां है कोई लेना देना नहीं है, मार्केट में सप्लाई जोन कहां है कोई लेना देना नहीं है। सिर्फ ओपनिंग रेंज ब्रेकआउट स्ट्रैटेजी से आप अच्छे से अच्छा, बड़े से बड़ा पैसा कमा सकते हो, वो भी डेली। डेली का 1%, 2%, 3, 4, 5, 6 तक परसेंट का प्रॉफिट आप कमा सकते हो। क्या स्ट्रैटेजी लेके? ओपनिंग रेंज ब्रेकआउट स्ट्रैटेजी लेके, जो मैं कल समझाऊंगा। आज इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान समझा रहा हूं, टाइटल भी देख सकते हो कि एक वेल कैसा इन्वेस्ट करता है मार्केट में, आज मैं वो समझा रहा हूं, ठीक है। कल समझाऊंगा स्ट्रैटेजी फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग की। अब ये जो वेल स्ट्रैटेजी है ये सिर्फ स्पॉट के लोगों के लिए, जो लोग स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग करते हैं। दो तरह की ट्रेडिंग होती है, एक स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग, फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग। तो आज की जो स्ट्रैटेजी है वो स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग के लिए है। एंड आज इतने जो भी लोग हैं इस लाइव स्ट्रीम पे, सारे के सारे सबसे पहले एक काम करेंगे, मेरा लाइव स्ट्रीम का टेलीग्राम ज्वाइन कीजिए। ये यहाँ पे टेलीग्राम का चैनल है, मेरा फैन लिखा होगा जहाँ पे भी, पहला ही ग्रुप है, उसको क्लिक करो, टेलीग्राम का चैनल ज्वाइन करो, जहाँ मैं डेली के अपडेट देता हूँ। मार्केट में कोई बड़ी खबर आती है मैं उसको भी वहां पे अपडेट देता हूँ। प्लस लाइव स्ट्रीम में क्या होगा, दूसरे दिन क्या होगा, कोई गिफ्ट है, कोई रिवॉर्ड है, कोई बेनिफिट है, फ्री का यूएसडीटी मिल रहा है, ये सारी चीजें मैं उस ग्रुप में बताता हूँ। तो ये जानना सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है, ग्रुप ज्वाइन करो सबसे पहले। इसके अलावा यहाँ पे दो गिफ्ट अभी आज क्रिसमस के मैं दे रहा हूँ लोगों को। दो गिफ्ट है क्रिसमस के। पहला गिफ्ट है कि अगर आप न्यू यूजर हो तो आपको मिलता है एक डोज कॉइन कंप्लीटली फ्री मेरी तरफ से, यश की तरफ से आपको मिलता है एक डोज कॉइन। ओके, अगर आप पुराने यूजर हो तो आपको मिलता है एक चांस 20 यूएसडीटी। अगर आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में डिपॉजिट करते हो तो आपको इस 20 यूएसडीटी को डिपॉजिट करके मिलता है 200 यूएसडीटी का फ्री ट्रेड। फ्री 200 यूएसडी का ट्रेड मिलेगा। इस ट्रेड से क्या होगा, इस ट्रेड से एक चीज होगी कि आपको बड़ा ट्रेड लेने का मौका मिलेगा, जिससे आपको बड़ा प्रॉफिट होगा। सिंपली जो भी प्रॉफिट होगा वो आप रख सकते हैं, आपके पास वो प्रॉफिट रहेगा। ठीक है, क्या करना है, सिंपली एक चीज करनी है, ये लाइव स्ट्रीम का ऑप्शन दिख रहा है, ये यहाँ पे ये लाइव स्ट्रीम का बटन है, उस लाइव स्ट्रीम के डिपॉजिट बटन को क्लिक करो, 20 यूएसडीटी आज डिपॉजिट करो और मेरी तरफ से पाओ 200 यूएसडीटी का फ्री ट्रेड बड़े कॉइन में, इथेरियम या फिर बिटकॉइन में। ठीक है, सिंपल यहाँ पे क्लिक करो। और आपको अगर झूठ लग रहा है तो ये यहाँ पे चीज है, क्या देख रहे हो, ये 200 फ्यूचर क्रेडिट, इस पे क्लिक करो, आपको यहाँ पे ये देखने खुद ही मिल जाएगा कि आपको कैसे मिल रहा है। ठीक है, 200 गेट अ 200 नोशनल ट्रेड पोजीशन डिपॉजिट 20 राइट नाउ। अगर 20 डिपॉजिट करते हो तो 200 का फ्री ट्रेड मिलता है। ये यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे होंगे, ये जीबिट का लॉन्च गिफ्ट है ये। ठीक है, बहुत कम लोगों को पता है, जो सिर्फ लाइव स्ट्रीम में आते हैं उन्हीं लोगों को ये सब चीजें पता रहती है। तो ये सबसे पहले क्या करना है, यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट करो, यहाँ पे ये डिपॉजिट करो, 200 यूएसडी डिपॉजिट करोगे तो मिलेगा 200 यूएसडी का फ्री ट्रेड। डिपॉजिट कहाँ करना है, डिपॉजिट करना है लाइव स्ट्रीम के डिपॉजिट ऑप्शन पे। कि यहाँ पे अगर जब लाइव स्ट्रीम का डिपॉजिट पे डिपॉजिट करते हो तब जाके ही आपको वो मिलेगा। समझ में आ गई बात? ठीक है, किसी को कोई भी सवाल हो, कोई भी डाउट हो, कुछ भी पूछना है, ये लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन पे कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हो। ठीक है, कमेंट सेक्शन पे कमेंट करके आप पूछ सकते हो, कोई भी अगर डाउट हो, कुछ भी सवाल हो, कुछ भी हो, जो भी आपकी प्रॉब्लम है, चीजें हैं, आप मुझे वहां पे पूछ सकते हो, मैं हर एक चीज आपकी सॉल्व कर दूंगा। ठीक है, बट सबसे पहले क्या करना है, डिपॉजिट करना है, डिपॉजिट लिंक पे क्लिक कर। समझ में आ गया? सारे यूजर के लिए, एवरी यूजर अगर 20 डिपॉजिट करता है डिपॉजिट बटन पे, 200 यूएसडीटी का ट्रेड मिलता है। ठीक है, वंडरफुल। You are from Nigeria, so I'll speak in English for all of you people, my friend. So, the user 368894, if you are depositing 20 USDT today in my live stream, I will be providing you the 200 USDT worth of trade in Ethereum or BTC. That 200 USDT. Hello, I am a new user. Okay, so hi, user 980935. If you are a new user, if you do your first deposit, I will be giving you one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. What you need to do is click on the live stream deposit only. If you do the deposit from some other place, you might not get the benefit of getting one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. So what you need to do is deposit on live stream function only. And after that, can you see a more button option? When you click on the more button option, join the Telegram channel. Once you join the Telegram channel, inform me in that channel that I have done my first deposit and provide me one Dogecoin. I will give you one Dogecoin in your account right away. Okay. So join my Telegram channel of live stream and deposit your first deposit and earn a Christmas gift of one Dogecoin from Yash. My name is Yash. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream, and I am ready to give you one Dogecoin to all the new users. Plus, plus thing. See, the Dogecoin deposit limit is 3 USDT. If you deposit more than 3 USDT, then only you receive one Dogecoin. But I will give you one better option. If you deposit 20 USDT in my live stream, with one Dogecoin, I will give you 200 USDT free trade in Ethereum or in Bitcoin from my side. That is a bigger gift for all the users plus the new user. New user will get one extra thing, that is one Dogecoin free if you deposit 20 USDT, plus you will be getting 200 USDT of free trade in your account with Ethereum or BTC. Whatever bigger profit you earn, that is completely your profit, which you can use for trade, which you can use for withdraw, which you can use for whatever you need. Got it? This is the new user reward for each and all new user out there. One Dogecoin from Yash as a Christmas gift. Offer is very limited. As you can see, today is 23rd. Just maybe next 2 to 3 days, this offer will cut down and nobody will get this kind of offer. So, for all those people, please do your deposit today. Make sure that you are doing a deposit and earning that one Dogecoin plus 20 USDT profit from my side. That is by doing 20 USDT deposit. That then you can get 200 USDT trade with it. So make sure to do it. Plus join my Telegram channel, which is over here. If you click on the first option, you will be taken to the zbit.com live with Yash. Click on this zbit.com live with Yash and join the live stream. I hope everybody understood it. I'm gonna take a small break. I will be back in 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just taking a small break over here. Okay, I'll take small break. I will be back. All the users, I'll be back in like 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be back. I'll taking a small break. I need a rest, and I will come back for very short, and we'll continue the topic of the whale investment. We will close this topic by telling you the details and the these things. Okay. So for now, I'm leaving this live stream for just 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be back with a small break. I will be back. All the users, I'll be back in like 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be back. I'll taking a small break. I need a rest. We are back. We are back. Welcome new user 611520. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much. Run this live stream. Be on the platform. Minute. Welcome new user 611520. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much. Run this live stream. Be on the platform. Minute. So, welcome back, all the new users. Welcome users 611520. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. If you are a new user, do tell me. I will provide you one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. And if you are if you want to earn more gifts, then tell me. I will provide you 200 USDT free future credit for taking a trade in Ethereum or in the Bitcoin. Okay. So coming back, let's start our topic again. So as we were discussing one thing in the market right now, that circulating supply. We did the filter out in the price first, then we did the filter out in the performance, then we did the filter out in the type of coin. It's a meme coin, altcoin, or some other. Okay. In this, we discussed like today, it's just one coin which is under $1 in that filter. Every day that filter changes, so it's not like you will just get one filter for overall the year. Every day that filter changes, every day some new coin, some new update will be there. Okay, you don't have to worry regarding that. Now, today, it is just one law block, which is not a meme coin we checked. Now we are discussing regarding a circulating supply and why circulating supply is important. Circulating supply is important because if any currency, any coin has a very less supply, there are high and faster chances of that XYZ currency to grow fast. I have given you example in like gold and diamond. The diamond supply in the overall earth is a lot. We have so much gold compared to diamond. That's why gold is cheaper. And diamond is very, very less in overall earth. That's why the rarity makes the price high. Got it? Whenever the supply is less, chances of that coin to grow up is faster. Whenever the supply is too much, that to maybe in billions. Right now, see, total supply of it is billion, but right now the current circulating supply is just 245 million. Mean that other coin, that other rest of the coin is completely locked. So we have till the point it is locked, we have a chance for this law block AI to reach into higher price very soon. We checked it, good. Now it has passed all of the filters. It passed it from the day to the 1 year. It is completely in the profit in the week wise, in the month wise, in the 6 month, in the year. Everything it's in the profit. After that, we check the law. It's this is not the mean coin. Circulating supply is also less. So everything is checked. Now this coin is ready for you to do a risk-free investment. In this way you have to make sure to do the investment. In this way you have to make sure to understand each and every of these things, like how to do investment, how to which coin to pick, which coin not to pick. This is the filter out version in which coin to pick and which coin not to pick. Okay. Welcome, Soumya. Welcome on the live stream. Thanks so much for being a part over here. Thanks so much for coming down to this live stream. Okay. So, welcome. As I was discussing regarding that every filter is done, now I'm going to show you the investment plan. In what way are you going to invest? How much are you going to invest? What kind of quantity you need to buy to gain a very good amount of profit in this coin? Okay, we'll go to the chat GTP because chat GTP will give us fast calculations of whatever I'm going to ask you, right? Okay, first thing, get to know about the coin which you are going to invest, obviously. So the first thing which you need to do is get to know about the coin which you are going to invest. So we'll ask him law blocks AI coin use cases. So he will search for us. So it becomes very easy rather than going for here and there. Chat, you can ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT can provide you the knowledge. Okay. So right now, clear breakdown of law block AI coin. What are the use cases? What does that project means? What benefit is bringing to the blockchain? What benefit is bringing to the future? That is also very important because like I said to you all people, the whales invest in what? The whales only and only invest in the future. So if any of this coin is very heavily what you can say is benefit in the future, the use cases are very good in the future, then we can do what? Then we are also ready to invest and that coin into the future. Got it? So future means not in the future trading, but inside, like in the future time. If it is useful, very useful in the upcoming days, in the upcoming time, in the upcoming future, then we can invest in that coin. For that, we'll just simply come to ChatGPT. We'll ask him. We have done all the filter out versions. Filter out first we did from the price, then we did the filter out version from the performance, then we are doing the filter out version from the types of coin, then in the circulating supply is less, coin is good to go for our investment. We'll check the last and final thing, which is a use case of that coin, so that any like in the future, coming in the future days, this coin should be a very useful coin. Okay, so as we can see over here, a law block AI coin is like paying for the legal services on the law block platform, generating AI platform legal documents, contract agreements, affidavits, and blah blah thing for the cases and token based distribution. One key real world use case enabling decentralized alternate dispute resolve, which is basically avoiding the court, avoiding all those things, avoiding the middle lawyers and everything which we pay heavily for, like filing our complaint, for doing anything, for making contract, making affidavit, or making agreement, making affidavits, and every of those things. We have to pay a lot to the lawyers. Now, this is that one point which is bringing a change, avoiding the middle persons from there. Basically the same thing which cryptocurrency did, avoided the bank, the medium in which we don't have to deal with the bank anymore, in which we don't have to pay those taxes, we don't have to go by the rules, regulation, anything. In the same way, this law block AI is right now doing the same thing for the legal cases. If you want to make any contract, if you want to make affidavits, if you want to make an agreement, you can quit that medium, which is that basically your any lawyer you hire, any lawyer you hire, you give them a money to make this contact, make this document, make this, make it, make that, which can be very easily done by the law block AI coin, which is a useful one. So yes, if you are eliminating any medium in your work, for example, if I have to reach to A to C, but I have to cross the B to make my work done, that means what? Basically that means I have to give any kind of my effort, my time, my this thing to B. Now any of those currency, what they are doing, they're eliminating the middle effort, middle time, middle work done, middle money spending which you are doing. So yes, law block AI is a very useful coin out there. Right now the major total supply is 1 billion, but circulating is just 245 million. Just that's it. The supply is very less. That means a high potential of that coin to reach a very fast, very easily to, let's say, $2, $5, maybe 10, maybe 20, maybe 30, or maybe 50 as well. So we can clearly see it is a very useful coin. Now we are going to look for an investment for it. See, Summary, pay for the legal services, pay for AI document generation, signature platform tools, initiate ADR, rewards, automate legal agreement, secure storage, proof of legal events, whatever is select. Sometimes the like the lawyer may back up from there, like I don't know what you're talking about, and everyone says. So secure storage and proof of legal event, reward of potential governance, meta transaction, reduce crypto friction. So everything over here looks like it is very useful coin. Now we are gonna ask a investment plan. Okay, so now the a law block AI is trading at 0.22122 USDT. Okay, so we'll ask the chat GTP for the investment plan, what kind of investment plan we require. Not the plan actually, just I'm just asking him a calculation. I am providing you the plan, I'm just asking him the calculation, because if I do it in the calculator then show you, it's a time saving thing to ask the chat GTP for the calculations. Okay, so first thing, so law blocks AI is at 0.22122 USDT. I am providing you the plan. I'm just asking him the calculation, because if I do it in the calculator, then show you USDT. Okay, and how much? I'm gonna ask him how much investment I will require. Let's start it from the slope. Okay, I get it. To give you a very big dream, huge dream will require a heavy investment. So I get it. All the retailers, they don't have a huge money to invest, but a reasonable amount to invest they have. So I'm gonna ask him, how about I buy 10,000 coins of it, so that whenever the coin touches $1 or $2, I'm end up gonna have maybe a $10,000 in my hand or a $20,000 in my hand. Okay. So for buying 10,000 quantity, 1 second, 100. Okay, 10,000 coins. How much investment I need? End up gonna have maybe a $10,000 in my hand or a $20,000 in my hand. How much investment do I need to buy a 10,000 coin? He's searching, he's doing this calculation. Okay, we got it. So if you right now, see, like I said to you, even in the spot coin, whenever you buy a gold, you are not buying a very less quantity of just 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 30 rupee, 40 rupee. You are buying in thousands, maybe 10,000, maybe 20,000, maybe 30,000, maybe 50,000, maybe 1 lakh kind of quantity of gold you are buying. So in this situation, if you buy a 10,000 coins of LBT, that is basically your law block AI, you require how much? 2,212 US dollars, $2,000 at right now point. If you buy, investment is how much? 2,212. Okay, that is the investment of getting 10,000 LBT coin. But after a year, after 1 year pass, after 2 year pass, this coin is gonna touch $1 to $2 very easily. So in that point, what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for the investment. We made an investment today. We look for that the coin is right now at 0.2212, and will after 1 year, after 2 year, the price will grow up as the performance is good. Yearly wise performance is hiking up. The supply zone, sorry, the circulating supply is very less. It's not a meme coin. Plus, the use cases of this coin is very good, eliminating, making your work very easy, very simple, eliminating the legal process, making it faster, making it secure, making it safe. So for that, obviously, this coin will touch $1 to $2 less than in 1 year or 2 year. So if this coin touches one, let's say 2 USDT, because I really think right now there's 0.2, so one will be the touched in less than 1 year. So I think if we give a 2 year time, it will touch 2 USDT. How much profit I will be making? Let's say 2 USDT, because I really think. So if you buy a 10,000 coins, because I told you the main game of the spot trade is in the quantity. If you buy a heavy quantity, you receive a very good amount of profit in it. If you are buying a very small quantity of 1, 2, 3, 4, it is not going to give you any sort of profit. The profit will be like, why even I got the profit kind of thing. Okay. So if you are doing a spot trading, then the best thing which you need to do is is make your profit bigger by buying a good quantity. Right now, still I showed you a very less quantity. 10,000 is not a very big quantity. It's a very less quantity. I showed you 10,000 LBT. If you invest 2,212 USDT right now, if the price is $2, your profit is what? 20,000 USDT. That is the profit which you are having, which is 20,000 US dollars. So the profit you are making on the investment of 2,201 is $17,787 profit. In less than 1 year, it will touch 1 USD very fast. Okay, maybe 1.5 year, it will touch 2 USD, and you will be making a 17,787 USDT profit. This is how a whales earn money. Invest in a coin which is the most less, but the price doesn't matter. So just because the price is very less, we invest? No. We have to see the performance, we have to see the price, we have to see the type, we have to see the circulating supply, and we have to see a use cases if it's very good, useful for the future use. Okay, so for that thing, if for every other things LBT was successfully, like every filter out was success for it, and you have gained 17,787 US dollar from it. This is how you need to invest. This is a whale investment strategy. This is exactly how a whale invest in the market. This is exactly how you need to invest. This is the same strategy which you can use, which you can have, and make a very good, huge investment in the market. Got it? Cool? Understandable? Now, this is we did it for what? 52-week high. Now we are going to do it for the next filter, which is called as lowest supply. Now, why lowest supply? Why do we require a lowest supply? Lowest supply means what? Lowest supply means that coin is having a very low supply. It's a rare kind of coin. Why Bitcoin is at 87K where rest of the coin is very low compared to Bitcoin? Why? Any questions, any doubt you have regarding this? Ever this question popped in your head that why BTC is at that price? Compared to that, the second place we give it to who? Second place we give it to Ethereum. Compared to the BTC, Ethereum is way behind. One coin at $87 and another coin at just 2,000. Then compared to that thing, Ethereum is way below, way less. Why? The thing is in the supply zone. The Bitcoin supply is just 21 million. After 21 million is sold out completely, there won't be any, not even a single Bitcoin out there available for buy or for trade once 21 million is gone from the market completely. That's what makes Bitcoin the most rare, because compared to every cryptocurrency out there, whatever the cryptocurrency is, compared to the Bitcoin, compared to the Bitcoin, every other currency, none of the currencies having just simple 21 million circuit supply. If you see any coin less than 20 or even in the range of that, then that coin is having a very high price. Why Ethereum is having very low price compared to the Bitcoin, even though you can clearly see that they started a journey very, like it was just some month gap maybe been like when Ethereum came, but still Bitcoin grabbed the more pace than the Ethereum. You can consider same thing as in a gold and a diamond. For an example, this is just for pure example, there is no relation, but just for pure example. Okay, so consider Bitcoin as a diamond and Ethereum as a gold. Why Ethereum is at low price and why Bitcoin is at high price? That same you can answer by answering the question why in the real world we have a diamond high price and gold a low price. Why? Because the supply. Diamond is very less available on the earth. That's why it's considered as a rare asset, rare element, rare blah blah blah, whatever it is. Even though we don't have a very big huge case of diamond, like compare, like yes, diamond is the hardest element, we use it for the industrial things, for cutting down irons, cutting down mountains, cutting down this thing, that thing. Other than this, no such use cases, but it is rare. That's why we put a huge value in it. whatever in this world has a rare tag on it, it is expensive. For example, let's say right now Michael Jackson is not alive. Michael Jackson is dead. If you have an autograph of Michael Jackson, that is more valuable right now compared to the time when he was alive. Why? Because you cannot get any more Michael Jackson's autograph out there. That's the one reason why if you have it right now, it is more valuable. But it was not that huge valuable when he was alive. So that means rare case. Same like this, Bitcoin has only a supply of how much? 21 million. After 21 million, there is not a single Bitcoin out there, which even you mine it right now, you won't able to generate it. If you have it right now, it is more valuable. But it was not that huge valuable. You won't able to generate it. That means rare case. Same like this, Bitcoin has only a supply of how much? 21 million. After 21 million, there is not a single. जोहेब खान जी भाई नहीं मिले. अदनान का कॉल आया था आपको? आपको कॉल आया था? किसी का कॉल आया था हमारी तरफ से, हमारी टीम की तरफ से आपको किसी का कॉल आया था अभी? थक जाओ यार बोल बोल के. जोएब खान जी, हमारी टीम की तरफ से आपको किसी का कॉल आया था अभी इतने में फिलहाल में? उस चीज से रिलेटेड जो भी आप डिफिकल्टी फेस कर रहे हो, उस चीज से रिलेटेड किसी भी टीम मेंबर का आपको कॉल आया था? हमारी तरफ से, हमारी टीम की तरफ से आपको किसी का कॉल आया था अभी? थक जाओ यार बोल बोल के. जोएब खान जी, हमारी टीम की तरफ से आपको किसी का कॉल आया था अभी इतने में फिलहाल में? उस चीज से रिलेटेड जो भी आप डिफिकल्टी फेस कर रहे हो, उस चीज से रिलेटेड जी व्हाट्सएप पे बात हुई, आपको कॉल आया था. तो उन्होंने हेल्प नहीं किया आपको कि कैसे करना है, कैसे क्लेम करना है, कैसे करे, ये सब चीजें उन्होंने हेल्प नहीं किया आपको? जी व्हाट्सएप पे बात हुई. तो उन्होंने हेल्प नहीं किया आपको कि कैसे करना है, अदनान ने हेल्प नहीं किया आपको कैसे करे, ये सब चीजें उन्होंने हेल्प नहीं किया आपको कि कैसे क्लेम करना है उसे? अदनान ने हेल्प नहीं किया आपको कि कैसे क्लेम करना है उसे? एप्पल पे हो नहीं रहा है, एंड्रॉइड पे दोबारा डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन आ रहा है. एप्पल पे नहीं हो रहा है, एंड्रॉइड पे दोबारा डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन आ रहा है. ये सम मतलब ये थोड़ी मेरी समझ के परे है ये चीजें कि एप्पल पे नहीं हो रहा है और एंड्रॉइड पे दूसरी बार डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन आ रहा है. एप्पल पे नहीं हो रहा है, एंड्रॉइड पे दोबारा डिपॉजिट. ये सम मतलब तो उनकी हेल्प काम नहीं आई, मतलब है ना बेसिकली, मतलब वो अभी तक आपको क्लेम नहीं मिला है. डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन आ रहा है एप्पल का कुछ, एंड्रॉइड का कुछ. पर वो तो सिंपल सी चीज है यार, वो तो मिल जानी चाहिए, इतनी तकलीफें क्यों हो रही है, मुझे यही समझ में नहीं आ रही. अभी तक बहुत से लोगों को मिल चुका है ऑलरेडी वो, और वो इन्होंने मतलब प्रॉफिट भी कमा लिया है उसके ऊपर. आपको ये इशू क्यों हो रहा है? यहाँ पे मैं रिवॉर्ड पे क्लिक करता हूँ, उसके बाद ये मेरा अनक्लेम्ड है. यहाँ पे मेरे को डिपॉजिट करने बोल रहा है, पर अगर मैंने डिपॉजिट कर लिया ऑलरेडी तो मेरे को अभी तक तो नहीं मिला भाई. ये तो बहुत तकलीफ वाली काम हो गई यार. सेशन डिस्कनेक्टेड, व्हाई ब्रो? क्या करे जोएब खान जी? ये बहुत सिंपल सा है यार, मतलब ये रिवॉर्ड सेक्शन में जाओ तो वहां पे मिल जाता है यार ये चीजें, बट आपको वहां पे वो दिख भी नहीं रहा है, आपके लिए वो दिख ही नहीं रहा है वो कि वहां पे एक ऑप्शन है ऐसा. आपको ये वाला ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिख रहा है ना, ये वाला ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिख रहा है आपको. उसने बोला होगा कि ऐप अनइंस्टॉल करके इंस्टॉल करो, ये सारी चीजें करने लगाया होगा, वो चीज से काम नहीं हुआ कुछ। ये वाला ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिख रहा है आपके ऐप के ऊपर, पर मेरे इसमें दिख रहा है क्लियरली। देखा, मैं झूठ भी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। ये आप मेरा ऐप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, ये मेरे पास सीधा सीधा ये ऑप्शन है यहाँ पे 200 फ्यूचर क्रेडिट का। ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब सबके इसमें नहीं दिख रहा है, आपके स्पेशली इसमें नहीं दिख रहा है। ये बहुत क्वेश्चन मार्क वाली चीज मेरे लिए भी है कि क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है, क्योंकि मेरे पास वो सीधा ऑप्शन यहीं पे है कि यहाँ पे मैं रिवॉर्ड पे क्लिक करता हूँ हमेशा। ये वाला मैंने रिवॉर्ड पे क्लिक किया, यहाँ पे मेरे पास डायरेक्ट वो दिखाता है मुझे, ये 200 फ्यूचर क्रेडिट सीधा मुझे दिखाता है यहाँ पे। एंड्रॉइड में दिख रहा है ऑप्शन। अच्छा, पर उसमें अब डिपॉजिट दिखा रहा है। अरे, ये क्या बात हो गई, उसमें डिपॉजिट कैसे दिखा सकता है? डिपॉजिट तो कर दिया ना ऑलरेडी, उसके बाद भी दिखा रहा है। मैं क्या बोलूं इसमें, मुझे मैं यही समझ में नहीं आ, मैं क्या सोल्यूशन दूं इस चीज का अभी, कि एप्पल में नहीं दिखा रहा है, एंड्रॉइड में दिखा रहा है तो डिपॉजिट करने बोल रहा है, पर डिपॉजिट तो ऑलरेडी कर दिया है, तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा सही में नहीं होना चाहिए। मैं आपकी चीज से एग्री कर रहा हूँ कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। डिपॉजिट अगर कर दिया है तो ये 2 यूनिट का क्रेडिट जो है वो मिल जाना चाहिए। और ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी को मिला नहीं है ऑलरेडी। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे ना बहुत से लोग अगर यहाँ पे करते हो, यहाँ पे सब यूजर के नाम आ जाते हैं। मतलब ये देखो, ये यहाँ पे किसने क्लेम कर लिया, ये इसने भी क्लेम कर लिया, इसने भी क्लेम कर लिया। जिन जिन लोगों ने 200 फ्यूचर रेट क्लेम कर लिया उनका सारा यहाँ पे आ जाता है। अब इन लोगों को मिल गया पर आपको नहीं मिल रहा है, तो इसमें वो थोड़ा सा ये हो जा रहा है कि मतलब ऐसी कौन सी क्या, मतलब क्या अब इसका सोल्यूशन कैसे निकालूं, मुझे इस चीज का आइडिया नहीं है। कि मिलने मतलब लोगों को मिल रहे हैं, लोग ले रहे हैं, लोग प्रॉफिट भी कमा रहे हैं, वो 200 का यूएसडी का ट्रेड लेके अच्छा प्रॉफिट भी कमा रहे हैं। यहाँ पे सब लोगों के यूजर नेम आप भी देख सकते हो, सब लोगों के यूजर नेम यहाँ पे एक एक करके सबके आ जाते हैं। जो जो यूजर नेम रहते हैं, क्लेम कर लिया इसने, क्लेम, यहाँ पे देखो इसने क्लेम फ्यूचर क्रेडिट क्लेम कर लिया। जो जो क्लेम करते हैं वो यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं। अब आपका वो एप्पल एंड्रॉइड का कुछ तो इश्यू हो गया। अब इसमें हम क्या करें यार? मैं हायर अथॉरिटी से पूछ सकता हूँ कि भाई ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, ऑलरेडी कर दिया है डिपॉजिट फिर भी नहीं मिल रहा है, क्या दिक्कत है। उसके अलावा मैं क्या हेल्प करूँ आपकी, आप बताओ। देखो, मैं तो सॉरी बोल रहा हूँ आपकी तरफ, मेरे हमारे तरफ से, क्योंकि ये ऐसा प्रॉब्लम होता है नहीं। पहली बार हुआ है कि आपको ऑप्शन पहले तो दिखा ही नहीं। ऑप्शन जब दिखा तो उसमें वो यू क्लेम नहीं हुआ, और उसके बाद अब एंड्रॉइड में शिफ्ट हो रहे हो तो एंड्रॉइड में ऑप्शन दिख रहा है पर फिर डिपॉजिट मांग रहा है। ये दो तीन चीजें एक साथ में बहुत कुछ अलग 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 चीजें हो गई, जो बहुत सिंपल चीज थी वो। डिपॉजिट करो, क्लेम पे क्लिक करो, क्लेम हो जाता है, सीधा सीधा सिंपल सा काम था वो। पर उसमें बहुत सी चीजें इधर उधर हो गई। जी, आप पूछ लो, बस मैं पूछता हूँ, मैं तो मदद करने को रेडी हूँ। मैं तो जब तक आपको नहीं मिलता तब तक मैं इधर में टीम को मैं पुश करते रहूंगा कि यार क्यों नहीं हुआ, क्यों नहीं हुआ, क्यों नहीं हुआ। तब तक तो मैं पुश करते रहूंगा। पर मेरे को कोई कारण, अगर कोई एकदम वैलिड रीजन दे कि भाई ये कारण था इसलिए नहीं हुआ, ये कारण था इसलिए नहीं हुआ, तो मैं चीजें समझ पाऊँ, तो मैं उसका सोल्यूशन आपको दे भी पाऊँ। अभी कोई एकदम सा रैंडम सा रीजन है कि एप्पल में दिख रहा है एंड्रॉइड में नहीं दिख रहा है, एंड्रॉइड में दिख रहा है तो डिपॉजिट नहीं दिख रहा है, डिपॉजिट तो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है। ये थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है मेरे लिए। मैं फिर भी मैं आगे मैं फॉरवर्ड करता हूँ ये चीजें कि ऐसे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम भी हो रहे हैं करके। पर अब इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या निकालते हैं अभी देखते हैं यार। वो 200 डिपॉजिट आपके अकाउंट में रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है ना? मतलब नए अकाउंट बैलेंस में टू दो मतलब 20 यूएसडी बढ़ के दिख रहा है ना? उतना तो भी अकाउंट में दिख रहा है ना पैसा है कि मतलब अकाउंट में पैसा पहुंच गया है, ये दिख रहा है ना आपके अकाउंट के बैलेंस में एक्स्ट्रा 20 USD दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है? आप मेरे को एक ये चीज का कंफर्म कर सकते हो क्या कि अकाउंट में रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है, अकाउंट में जो डिपॉजिट हुआ है वो रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है आपके अकाउंट में, वो रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है, राइट? अकाउंट बैलेंस में नया 20 USD चढ़ के दिख रहा है, राइट? हाँ या ना ये बता दो मुझे एक बार। तो मैं वैसा एकदम डिटेल में वहां पे लिख के भेजता हूँ कि अकाउंट बैलेंस में भी दिख रहा है, डिपॉजिट भी हुआ है, हमारे बैकएंड में भी हमने वेरीफाई कर लिया है ऑलरेडी, आपका डिपॉजिट आया है हमारे पास। बैलेंस में दिख रहा है क्या? बैलेंस में नया बैलेंस की उसमें 20 ऊपर है, 20 क्रेडिट होके दिख रहा है। एक बार ये इस चीज का कंफर्मेशन दे दो प्लीज मुझे, एक इस चीज का अगर कंफर्मेशन मिल जाए कि आपके अकाउंट में दिख रहा है आपको कि वो 20 आ चुका है आपके अकाउंट में। एक कंफर्मेशन प्लीज दे दो जोएब खान जी कि आपके अकाउंट में वो दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है, बस एक इतना छोटा कंफर्मेशन मुझे दे दो, तो फिर मैं उस हिसाब से मैं मैसेज करता हूँ कि पूरी प्रॉब्लम पूरी डिटेल में लिखता हूँ, पहले क्या हुआ, बाद में क्या हुआ, ये क्या हुआ, वो क्या हुआ, एंड फिर उसके बाद में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे कि चीजें इसको सॉल्व कैसे करें। ठीक है, एक कंफर्मेशन दे दो बस कि आपके अकाउंट में डिपॉजिट हुआ है वो 20 USD की नहीं, इसका कंफर्मेशन बस मुझे दे दो एक बार। Welcome, user 509688 on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. अच्छा, तो जब वो आए तब देखेंगे यार, तब तक मैं अपना टॉपिक कंटिन्यू करता हूँ। ठीक है, तो राइट नाउ वी टॉक्ड अबाउट 52 वीक हाई, नाउ वी आर गोना टॉक अबाउट द लोएस्ट सप्लाई. What is lowest supply? How to deal with lowest supply? How to invest in the lowest supply? Lowest supply is important. Why? I discussed just now comparing BTC with diamond, Ethereum with gold. Gold is in a quantity wise, gold is available a lot in the whole earth. That's why price is less. Diamond price is high because the quantity is very less. Okay, that's the same reason. Now we are going to go to lowest supply. What does lowest supply in the cryptocurrency collection means? That it is going to show you all those coin which is having the least supply, all those coin which is having a very small supply. It is going to show you each and every of those coin over there. Got it? And plus, welcome user 913581 on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part over here. I would love to request you that there are two gifts available for you or for all the users out there. One is that you can gain one Dogecoin from me as a Christmas gift, and another thing is that you can gain a 200 USDT Christmas gift. That is basically a 200 USDT worth of trade you can get in BTC Ethereum just by doing 20 deposit in the live stream. If you do 20 deposit in the live stream right now, I will provide you 200 USDT trade right now. Okay. And another thing is that you can gain a 200 USDT Christmas gift. That is basically a 200 USDT worth of trade you can get in. Okay, let's go. Let's, as we were discussing regarding lowest supply. As you can see in the lowest supply, there are 100 coins filtered out today. Today, the lowest supply is having 100 coin filtered out. Let me just change one thing. I wanted to change one thing from so long. Just 1 minute. Okay, let's go. Let's as we were discussing regarding lowest supply. As you can see in the lowest supply, there are 100 coins filtered out today. Today, the lowest supply is having 100 coin filtered out. Let me just change one thing. I wanted to change one thing from phone. Just 1 minute. Okay, let's go. Let's as we were discussing regarding lowest supply. As you can see in the lowest supply, there are 100 coins filtered out today. Today, the lowest supply is having 100 coin filtered out. Okay. Huh. I just made my mouse a little bigger. Nothing else I did. I wanted to make it a little bigger. Plus one thing. Huh. I just made my mouse a little bigger. Nothing else I did. I wanted to make it a little bigger. Plus one thing. Cool. So we will discuss. Hi user 233215. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down to this live stream. Welcome all of you people in the live stream. Okay, so let's continue. Lowest supply today, it is showing the filter out versions of how much? 100 coins. 100 coins are there for today. But are we going to look for all the coins? Obviously, no. Which coin are we going to check? We are going to check the coin which is under a dollar, because that is a strategy which all the retailers miss out all the time. You don't have to just deal, you just have to don't go for the shiny stuff. BTC, Ethereum, Solana, etc. are very shiny stuff, okay, but expensive to buy. And even if you buy something, it will be having a very less investment. Sorry, very less quantity you can buy because of the high quantity, high value of those coins. So we'll focus on such coins which is under a dollar. Right now, we will figure out all those coins. Right now, you can see 100 USDT. We will see which are those coins. The speed is increased. And even if you buy something, it will be having a very less investment. Sorry, very less quantity you can buy because of the high quantity, high value of those coins. So we'll focus on such coins which is under a dollar. Right now, we will figure out all those coins. Right now, you can see 100 USDT. We will see which are those coins. The speed is increased. Okay. Let's see the coin which is under a dollar. We'll start from the starting. Okay. 83 7, you can clearly see all the lowest supply coins are such high value coin. Can you see the value? See, it is BTC, then 3 700 500 487,000. Okay, it's BTC. Okay, 1,000 200 500 1,000 200 500, all this coin, whichever coin you are picking, this is the one little cheap coin, 9 USDT, but still high. So all this coin, that's why lowest supply 52-week high are those coin which you should be investing for the spot coin. You can clearly see all the coins price so high in it. But that doesn't mean that you cannot find the cheaper coins. Okay, we can find cheaper coins very easily. All this coin, whichever coin you are picking, this is the one little cheap coin, 9 USDT, but still high. So where are the other coins? All this coin. That's why lowest supply 52-week high are those coin which you should be investing for the spot coin. you can clearly see all the coins price so high in it. But that doesn't mean that we cannot find the cheaper coins. Okay, we can find cheaper coins very easily. Yes. Can we see it now? Yeah. Can we see the prices over here very easily, clearly? Till now, where did we reach? We reached till here. Can you see? There is one coin, XLM Stellar 0.2. Then there is Die 0.9. There is Hydra 0.1. 0.1. Let's try to find coin is 0.01. Then you will see the real deal of the investment very less, but you can gain the profit very high. 0.69, 0.2, 0.2, 0.9. I want to find more cheaper coin, more cheaper coin. 0.3, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.01. Okay, flare. One thing. Okay, one we can take flare, which is because it is 0.0. So that means investment will be more less for it. More less investment we can take. 0.01 one we take. Then V coin is also there, 0.012. Then there is XDC network 0.04. 3 we can check out 3. There is Pump Fun. Pump Fun is meme coin. Let's leave it. I know it's a meme coin. We don't even have to check. Pudgy Penguin, again another meme coin. We don't invest meme coin. So let's see these three things. Okay, which are the three things? I will open it in some different place. Okay, flare, then V and XDC network. Okay, these are the three coins we will check. First thing what we need to check is the performance. Okay, we did the filter out version. We made. So let's see these three things. Okay, which are the three things? I will open it in some different place. Okay, flare. We made the filter out version by eliminating the higher price coin. I targeted in the coin which is 0.0 something because we already checked about the coin which is 0.2. So there is no point of taking another such coin which is 0.2, 0.1, 0. Something like this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna check this coin which is 0.0 something. Got it? Cool. So let me just connect with my chat again. Just give me one moment. By eliminating the higher price coin, I targeted in the coin which is 0.0 something because we already checked about the coin which is 0.2. So there is no point of taking another such coin which is 0.2, 0.1, 0. Something like this. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check this coin which is 0.0 something. Got it? Cool. So let me just connect with my chat again. Just give me one moment. 693,649. 693. Login. Okay. I can see my result. Okay. So we filter out three options. First thing what we need to do is come to the trading view, go to the overview, find out crypto collections. In the crypto collections, we are finding out two filter outs. One I explained you already, 52-week high. Now we are going to explain what? We are going to explain the lowest supply. Why lowest supply? Because any coin which has the lowest supply, high chances of making that price going up very fast, very easy, which is a very good coins to invest in a spot trade. I am not talking about a future trade. I am talking about a spot trade strategy. Understand these things, okay? Tomorrow I will explain you an ORB strategy, which is called as opening range breakout, which is a straight future trade strategy. Not today, tomorrow. Okay, today it is a future trade strategy in which we are going to learn regarding how to do a future investment. Okay, sorry, how to do a spot investment. Same way like a whale. The whale invest very less amount, but the gain a high profit. This is that one investment plan. Okay, what we did till now? Find out the lowest supply. In the lowest supply, all those coins are there. We found out three coins: Flare 0.01, V coin, V chain 0.01, and XDC 0.04. These three coins which is under $1. There are more coins, but just for giving you example, I'm picking these three coins. Okay, just for giving example, right now I'm picking three coins. Got it? Cool. So Now, let's discuss on the flare coin, V coin, this coin. First filter out has been done for what? For the price section. We have checked the price. If the price is above dollar, below dollar, how much? We have checked it. Good. Next filter out we are going to do is from the performance. Can you see a performance option over here? Yes, this is that performance option. Click on this performance and we will see the performance. Okay. Now, in this scenario, we have to make sure to understand if the performance is a profitable performance or not. Profitable performance, as in we can see changes in 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, year, 5 year, 10 year. There are this many changes, there are this many places where we have to check the performance, not just an year wise, but complete throughout 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and 5 years. The performance should be good for safe and risk free investment. If the performance is not going overall profitable throughout 24 to the 1 year, then it is a risk investment. We don't do the risk investment, we only do what? A risk free investment. Okay, so the flare coin, you can completely see red eliminated. The coin which is going red from the 24 hours to the 1 year, we don't deal with those coins. Those are unsafe coins to invest. Okay, next what we're gonna do is we decided V chain, same for V chain. Throughout the year it is completely minus. We are not going to invest in that coin as well. XDC only 24/7 it is showing where like 24, like in the last like 24, like yesterday it was just profitable. Throughout the whole year it is not doing profitable. We'll eliminate that coin completely. Okay, so let's go for find some another coin in the very less price but completely green. Whole market is down, so every of those coin is like down. Okay, some coins are you gold, but the value will be a lot of you gold. Then there is rain. Let's check out these things. Let's check out overview of rain. How much a rain is? Rain is okay. Rain is good to go. Rain is just 0.008025 USDT. And another one thing we check is some U gold, which is 4,000 USDT. We don't deal with those coins. Okay, so just one coin we have found out in the performance one, which is a rain, completely green. More such green coin, more such green coin. Okay, this is also which is Beldex. Let's see Beldex price, which is again 0.09. Okay, so we'll pick Beldex. Let's delete this XDC because filter version they are not profitable throughout the year, so we don't need it. Okay, so which was the profitable one? Rain. We'll pick rain now. Yes, rain. And we picked BDX USD. That's the two thing we picked. Again, we'll try to find more such coin which is profitable. One extra coin so that we can take. Okay, this is also profitable. S2C. Let's see the overview of S2 stock, which is 0.1 USD. Okay, a little high because I already gave you example of 0.1, so I don't need to give example again for that same thing. Okay, Shirushi coin. What is Shirushi coin? There is a coin called Shirushi. We'll check out the Shirushi coin. Second. What is the overview of Shirushi coin? One. Okay, fine. Let's just take two example of Rain and BDX right now. Because why do we waste our time in searching a coin which is performance? We have two coin. We have already found out you can waste your time by doing this thing by finding out the best coin because there are so many options over here. Can you see? It is the list is going on. Okay, so we picked what? We picked a rain and we picked BDC, BDX, something like that. Okay, let me find out those coins first. Where are those coins? Where are those coins? Shirushi we crossed. We come to yeah, this is that one. Beldex and rain was somewhere above. Somewhere above was rain. Yeah, this is the rate. Performance wise, we'll check out. Filter out. Filter says what? The performance should be good from 24 change to the throughout 1 year. Okay. Can we see in 24, 7.40% up, 1 week, 2.3% up, 1 month, 124% up, 3 month, 106, 6 month, 15,199.85% up. 1 year, year to date is 500. 1 year, 484.88% up. So this is that coin which is looks like throughout the year it is having profit, profit, profit. That means the graph is going like this from the bottom to the year end growth we can see. So this is a good coin for us to invest. One coin. Another, we will check out the Beldex. Where is that Beldex? Yeah, Beldex. Can you see Beldex? 24/7, 0.13, 1 week, 7.66, 1 month, 19.17%, 3 month, 10.71%, 10.97%, 6 months, 59.61, year to date is 24, 7.41, 1 year, 26.07, 5 year is also profit. See, 5 year, 10 year doesn't matter if it's in profit or not. Okay, but still, if it's a profit, then it's a greater news for us, more safer, more great coin to invest. Okay, 5 year is 21.55 and 10 year is just 0.83. Not that great of the profit, but still everything is green. That means yes, we can have a growth. The growth can be slow. If the profit rate, which you can see over here, is slow, 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 not in hundred, not in thousands, coin can grow, but in a slow pace. Okay, we checked out these two coins. First filter out has been done with what? First filter out we did with the price if it is under $1. Second filter out we did it by what? Second filter out we did it by the performance year from today, from like basically yesterday to throughout the year. The performance should be good for safe and risk free. Okay, where we won't face any losses basically. Now what we're going to do is we click, we made, this is the rain and this is that BDX. Now the third filter comes. Third filter comes is characterization. If it falls in the category of meme coin, we do not interfere in the meme coin. Meme coins are not good for spot trading because meme coins are basically trending coins. If the trend comes, then and then only we'll get the profit. If there is no trend, no profit. So rather than waiting for the trend, maybe it can happen next day, maybe it can happen 10 years after, maybe it can happen 50 years after. Are we going to wait for 10 years? No. Are we going to wait for 5 to 6 years? No. We need the profit in our hand in 1 to 2 years. So we'll focus on those coin only which can give us profit in 1 to 2 years. Okay, good, got it. Now first, we'll see the rain coin. In the rain coin, we can see again rain coin characterization. There is no category meme coin over there. That means what? This is not a meme coin. If category is not mentioned over here, that means it is not a meme coin. It is some use case coin which can have a high use case in the far most future. We can have a high use case. Okay, cool. Got it. So right now, what we're gonna do is we checked out rain coin, we checked out category. Category is not a meme coin, good to go. After that, next thing we want to check is circulating supply. Can you see a circulating supply? Can you see an amount over there? This is actually straight no coin to invest. Why? See, overall, all the filter was great. Price was low, performance was good. It is not even a meme coin, but we are not going to invest in this coin. Why? Because it is having a circulating supply of 339 billion. 339 billion coins are there. For such kind of coin to grow will take ages. Ages, I'm saying. If a circulating supply is in billion, that coin will take 3 to 5 to 6 years to grow and come to $1. Right now, price is what? Right now, price is what? Just 0. Where is the price? 0.008 is the right now price. For that coin to touch $1 with the circulating supply of $339.56 billion, it will take a very huge amount of time. Let's ask ChatGPT itself. Okay? If you don't believe me, let's ask ChatGPT. Rain coin is at 0.008 USDT. Circulating supply with supply of 339 billion circulating and total supply with supply of is how much the total supply? 1.15 trillion. 1.15 total supply trillion. That is huge. If I make a spot trade, how much? Yes. How much approx? I'll say how much approx is it will take. How much approx year it will take? Approximately. We won't talk about the legitimate. We'll talk about approx. It will take with that kind of supply to become 1 US. How much approx year it will take? Approximately. We won't talk about the legitimate. We'll talk about approx. Yeah, let's be brutally honest. Yeah, even I like it. If ChatGPT is brutally honest, that's what I want. Okay. Is at 0.008. That's why I was telling you if it's in billion, then just leave it. Those coins are not made for spot trade. If it's in the year, current market cap is 2.17 billion. To reach one, the market cap would need 339 billion circulating, bigger than Ethereum today. It will fulfill the supply hit. It would kind of is at 0.008. That's why I was telling you if what I am asking how much years it will take. Coins are not made for spot trade. To reach $1 market cap would need 300 circulating, bigger than Ethereum today. If fulfill the hit of 1.1 trillion, it would need 1.1 trillion investment. That is true. What kind of supply is realistic? It's not a time problem, it's a math plus adoption problem. Even in the mega bull cycle, it will take decades or never. Decades. Decades it will take for that coin to touch $1. That's why even if the filter watch the performance is great throughout the year, if the price is also low, if it's not even a meme coin, doing some very great test uses in the future, more than Bitcoin it is useful. But still, if it's sitting at 1.15 trillion as a supply, that market cap would require that huge amount of money. 1.1 trillion and blah blah thing is not a time problem, but just still tell me, play a small move, spot rate takeaway, don't wait for one, play a small move, 2x, 10x, rotate the profit, and don't marry the coin, obviously. But still, tell me, and approx here. 1.1 trillion and blah blah thing is not a time problem, but just still tell me, play a small move, spot rate takeaway, don't wait for one, play a small move. Can you see best case that do best case scenario with ultra bull scenario? Ultra bull means that throughout 15 to 25 year it should be in complete profit, then and then only you will be earning that profit if it will reach the $1. I'm not even aiming for like 5, 10, 200, 300, 4,000, but just to reach $1 that coin with a best case ultra bull scenario, massive burns, global adoption, and blah blah. Like every day people are just buying, nobody's selling. It will take 15 to 25 years. And with a normal crypto cycle, never. Never. Why? because that is the money. Ethereum took 8 to 9 years to reach 500 billion. BTC took 14 plus year to cross 1 trillion. Briefly, that is the reality of the supply. If the supply is very huge, we do not invest in that coin at all. Supply should be around millions. Millions of supply is very easy for us to invest. Billions of supply is not at all easy for us to invest. If supply is in million, fine, easy for us to invest. If it's in a billion, it is not easy at all for us to invest in the market. Okay, so both of the coin, even the filter out version, in first step pass, the price was low. Second step, performance was good overall the year pass. Third step, in complete, if you can talk about in the third step as well. Yeah, the coin, the type of the coin was not a stable coin, not a meme coin, nothing. It was useful coin, but still in the fourth filter out version. This is a lesson for all of you people. Okay, do not blindly invest anywhere. Lesson is, if the supply of the coin is a lot, we do not invest in that coin. We do not invest in the coin which supply is very huge. If supply is very much, we do not invest in that coin. Understood? Very simple, very easy. We do not invest in a coin which supply is 7.47 billion kind of investment. We do not invest in such kind of circulating supply. Now I have to find another coin. Ah, understood. Very simple, very easy. We do not invest in a coin which supply is 7.47 billion kind of investment. We do not invest in such kind of circulating supply. Now I have to find another coin. Ah, let me find new coins for you for filter out version. Because though both coin are failing, why should I give you a wrong investment where I will know these coins are gonna take ages to go to $1? Just to be $1, they are gonna take ages. I have to check performance. You change. What is the supply of yours? Because though both coin are failing, why should I give you a good coin? Price is 1,000 already. To go to $1. Just to be $1. And next coin, Centism AI. What is the price? 0.4 fine, but still very expensive. Circulating supply is very good, 196 only. But no, 0.4 is little expensive for us to buy. Any other coin? Impossible Cloud Network. See, pricing at 0.5, expensive, expensive. I want to give you cheap coins, cheap and cheaper. Optio 0.06, good, price is small, circulating is billion. Pricing at 0.5, expensive. And these are the lowest supplies, okay? These are in the filter of lowest supplies. Imagine what are the investment, what are the kind of like the coins are out there. These are the lowest supply coins. Profit, give US profit, Arowana. What is the market supply? 500 million. Works. Okay, a good coin we have found. Okay, we'll delete this, delete. Finally, we have found a coin. Just don't be a meme coin. Okay, it is not a meme coin. Ah, thank God. Okay, so what I did, First, the price, yes, it is not that low, but low. 0.15, 0.1 we can adjust. It is not 0.01 which I wanted to find, it is just 0.1. Then I check the performance. You can clearly see performance 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 6 month, year to date, year. Every of the performance is what? Every of the performance is going in positive, positive, positive. A good sign for us to invest. A very good sign for us to invest. Okay. In that scenario, it is not 0.01 which I wanted to find. It is just 0.1. A very good sign for us to invest. We and plus the circulating supply is just 500 million, not a very huge amount, very less amount to invest. So this is one of that one spot coin in the filter version of the lowest supply which we can check. We will ask what is the use case of Arowana. What is it? ARWUSD. Use, this is the last filter. Okay, this is the last filter which basically all the like the one which invest in the future does. They basically look for the coin which is very useful in the future. If a coin is very useful in the future, then only we get that xyz thing, like very good use case. So use case of ARWUSD, that is the coin ARWUSD. Yes, let's see. We'll check out this thing. All the like the one which invest in the future does. They basically look for the coin which is very useful in the future. If a coin is very useful in the future, then only we get that XYZ. So use case of ARWUSD. That is the coin ARWUSD. Yes. Let's not just we'll check out this thing. Okay. Arowana token, not Arowana stable coin token. Okay. So use case real world asset integration project in bridge physical gold market, the DeFi by tokenizing the gold real estate finance services. So including auction, lending, gold link token, blah blah blah. Governance token, paying services, reward incentive, government voting on the protocol. So it's a government linked plus it's a DeFi coin as well. So it is a very good coin for us to invest. Now everything is great. So what we're gonna do is ask. I want to get 10,000 coins of ARWUSD. How much? So it's a government linked plus it's a DeFi coin as well. So it is a very good coin for us to invest. Now everything is great. So what we're gonna do is ask. I want to get investment 10,000 coins. So if you go on today and buy 10,000 coins of why per one coin, this is not input, like it's 0.1. Get the facts with investment. So if you go on today and buy 10,000 coins of 0.11, how much was it? 0.12881. It's 0.1. Get the facts. Okay, so price of Arowana coin today is 0.12881. In which if you buy 10,000, we are just going to need how much? 1,200 288 USD. That's all we're going to need for investment. And once it becomes not 3 4 5 6, just 1 USDT, just 1 USDT price will reach how much profit I am 1,200 288 USDT. That's all we're gonna need for investment. And once so the price which I bought is 0.01. How much investment I made to get 10,000 coins with me is 1,288. Okay. But the time this coin will become 1 USD, which is less than year, it will become because supply is very less, performance is good, price is below, it is not even a meme coin, plus 5 use cases of this coin is very good. Okay. So everything checks in, check. Now the investment we made $1,288 investment, and once it becomes $1, which will take maybe 1 year or 1.2 or 1.3 year, that's it, max it will take that much time. And once it take that much, how much profit are we going to end up having is 8,701 profit. This is the way in which whales make the investment. I just showed you for 10,000 coins. You can go for 50,000, more profit. 1 lakh coin, more profit. Okay. More you increase the quantity, more profit you will increase over here. So, like I said to you, the main game is of quantity. Right now, we are just gonna buy 10,000 coins. I just showed you an experience. I just showed you the investment of 10,000 coins. Okay, if you have 10,000 coins, if you buy with the investment of $1,288, end up if the dollar becomes one, which will become why it will become one, because supply is very less. It just 500 is the circulating supply, plus market had already made an all-time high of what 1.01348 USDT. That means the next all-time high will be above this range, which will be very soon. So plus it is not a meme coin, it is a like real world use case coin, in which it is using what it is, this coin is yeah, the real world use is what of changing the real world asset into the gold, real world asset into the, like basically that digital asset, like bridging the physical gold market with the DeFi by tokenizing the gold, paying services like government tokens as well with the Indian ecosystem, blah 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 blah. There is so much thing which you can read. Okay, so this is a very good use case, which is all five things are checked, five filter out, which is required for you to check before spot trading. One filter, price should be under a dollar, 0.1, 0.0001, 0.00001, that kind of coin. Then the performance from yesterday to the year wise performance should be great, which you can check from here. As you can see, this is the thing. Can you see performance? 1 day minus, 1 week plus, 1 month positive, 6 month positive, year to date profit, huge kind of profit. 1 year is all since yesterday to the year it is positive. Second filter checked. Third filter is the type of coin. If it's a meme coin, if it's a stable coin, if it's a altcoin. If it's a meme coin, we do not invest in meme coin. Meme coin, spot investment in meme coin is not at all advised, not at all, because it is a trendy coin. If the trend comes, then and then only we are gaining that profit. If there is no trend, then there is no profit. So it depends on what? It depends on the trend. So we don't deal with the trend coins. Okay. Then becomes the fourth is circulating supply. If the circulating supply is high, like in billion, do not invest in that coin, because it will take maybe 10 years, maybe 5 years, or maybe more than that to come to $1. Okay, to have a circulating supply in billions. Right now, circulating supply of this coin is how much? Just 500. So it is in the clean check that yes, 500 is not that high compared to billions. So it can happen in 1 to 2 years. Okay. Next, fifth thing, the last thing we'll check is use cases. We asked ChatGPT. If you do not see, you can see it from the contract website, explore everything. They will tell you about us, about blah, about this thing. But simply you can go is for is ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT, simply tell him the use cases. ChatGPT can grab that information for you and tell you in a very easy way. Okay. Once it told you everything is clear, for all five filters should be checked. If in this five filter even one thing is not there, do not invest. This all five things is required for you to make an investment. If there is any one of these things is not there, don't make an investment. Okay, simple. After that thing, this is the five thing. Check, buy a heavy quantity, buy a very heavy quantity in the market, like 10,000 coin, 20,000 coins, so that you can gain a good amount of profit from it. For example, right now the price is 0.0128. 10,000 coin will just give you how much in the value of 1,288 price you will buy the 10,000. Okay. And how much are you gonna get if it becomes 1 USD in 1 to 2 years? You will be getting the profit of 8,711 USDT profit you will be receiving. That huge amount of profit you will be receiving. Okay, got it? Cool. So this is how you need to invest in the market. This is how you invest in the market. This is a complete scenario. Today's whole video was regarding how to make an investment in a whale way. whale makes an investment in such kind of, they will find a coin, they will find a coin under $1, and they will check all these scenarios in which use case, blah 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 blah, everything is looking good. They will see five filters: price, performance, type of the coin, circulating supply, and last is use cases. These all five filters are required for you to test before entering into the spot market or investing into the spot market of that coin. These five filters are much more required. If any of those five filters are not fulfilling, do not invest. That is a risk investment, which will be the risk investment. Okay. Last is use cases. These all five filters are required for you to test before entering into the spot market or investing into the spot market of that coin. These five filters are much more required. If any of those five filters are not fulfilling, do not invest. That is a risk investment, which will be the risk investment. Okay. What happened? What happened? Okay. Any doubt? Any questions? Anything for me? I will help you in clear out these things. I will wait for 5 to 10 minutes. For any doubt, any questions you have for me, I will answer those questions right now. Please ask me. You have any doubt, anything for me, anything you want to ask me, anything you want to tell me, anything you want to have, anything. Anything for me, I'm here for all of the people help. Okay? For 5 to 10 minutes. For any doubt, any questions you have for me, I will answer whatever you need from my side. Any doubts, any questions? You have any doubt, anything for me, anything you want to ask me, anything you want to tell me, anything you want to have, anything. I'm here for all of the people help. Okay? Yes. Any doubts, any questions from my side? Please feel free to ask me. I'm ready to help over here. If you have any doubt, anything, any questions, ready to help. Yes. Any doubts, any questions from my side? Please feel free to ask me. I'm ready to help over here. If you have any doubt, anything, ready to help. Any questions, any doubts? Any people are having, please feel free to comment on the comment section. I'll be waiting for 5 minutes for all of your questions, any doubts, anything. Any questions, any doubts? Any people are having, please feel free to comment on the comment section. I'll be waiting for 5 minutes for all of your questions, any doubts, anything. Welcome user 306517. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. If you guys are having any doubt, anything related to the investment strategy, which I just explained as a whale strategy, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Welcome user 306517. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. If you guys are having any doubt, anything related to the investment strategy, which I just explained as a whale strategy, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. What is today's coin which is trending? AI coin bot is saying SPK USDT and Resolve USDT. Resolve is having short. I like Resolve USDT. See, from here I told you it will come to the demand zone. It came to the demand zone. Sudden investment, then complete liquidate of that investment has been done as well. Markets demand zone, 1 hour demand zone is over here till where the market has not reached yet. I have high chances that it will reach as well, but we'll think. I'm really hope that this coin can come to the main 1 hour, 1 day, sorry, not 1 hour, 1 day demands. If we shift to 4 hour, let's see what we can see in 4 hour. 4 hour rally has not touched the demand zone yet. That is strange. In four, we haven't touched the 4 hour demand zone. High chances that we can touch. We took a little small pushback from the fair value gap over here, but we can enter from. If people have not entered in the market for any moment, you can actually go in the resolve VST for going for the downtrend from here. Exactly, you can go for the down, and you can simply come till this point. This is the demand of 4 hour. This is the 4 hour demand zone which has not been tapped. We just saw an early rejection from the market, which is not going to do anything. So obviously the market is going to give you another chance. Basically, this rejection is just retracement, is just another chance for you to re-enter in the market for the short position, which you can enter right now. And this is the demand zone which is the market has created. If I have to make it in a very sophistication way, I will make it. This is a demand zone of the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour demand zone in between. Okay, 4 hour demand zone. Market has not tapped in 4 hour demand zone till now point. What we can do is, as we can see, the rejection. Market tried to go up, but the rejection candle followed. From this rejection, we can go is take a short entry from this point and aim for the target, which is 0.06844. That can be a new target for the resolve USDT, which is a demand zone for short entry. This is only for future. I'm giving you trade for future short flash sell. Okay, for those people who don't understand short, but this is, I really feel this is a high time for all of you people to understand what do you mean by short. Short means in future we do not use buy and sell. In future we try to use the word which is long and short. Long means that you're aiming a prediction that the price can go up, and short means that you're doing a prediction that the price can fall down. Okay, this is a very high time for all of you people to start adapting to the jargons of the trading which you are doing. If you just keep on saying buy and sell, then you have that mentality of buying cheap, selling high. You will keep on having this one way of having the profit, one way of having the entry. No, don't do this thing. Don't mix the spot trade with the future trade. Future trade should be called as long and short because it will give you an attention that whenever the market falls down, I can make profit, and whenever the market goes up, I can make profit in the both the scenario. Not in one way, but in two ways we can earn profit in the future trading, which is even if the market goes up, we can make profit. Even if the market falls down, we can make profit, which is take an entry at higher price. Whenever the price falls down, we can earn profit, which is the right now scenario. Right now price is at what? 0.07. If I enter right now and exit at 0.06, I am making a profit over here. A very easy, very simple amount of profit which I'm going to make from here. If you still keep calling it buy sell, then you will have that spot mentality in your head that I need to buy cheap and sell high, just one way of earning profit. This is not in the spot. In the future market you can make a profit in this way as well, which is buy cheap, buy high and sell low. In this also you can make profit. Do not forget. So I'm giving you an entry for a future right now. A very good entry. Enter the future right now. Future trade of Resolve USD. Go for short trade. Keep your target at 0.06844. That is your target. Enter for this to this price. You are capturing how much movement? Basically 10. 9.10% of the market you are capturing. 9.10% of the market you can capture very easily. So make sure that you are taking an entry for a short sell and keeping your target at 0.06844. That is your target in the market. Okay. If you want, put a limit order as well. Limit order can be, you can take somewhere from a little higher price. Okay, market may can come to higher price. What is the price? Okay, so 9 minutes left. After that, new coin will come, new candle will form. Okay, that's my time. Thank you so much, all the people, for joining this live stream, being over here. Tomorrow I'll be explaining you a bigger new concept, which is a normal strategy which is called as ORB, opening range breakout strategy. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, same timing.